अर्ज किया है।
इरशाद
सुन लो ससुर जी,
वाह वाह
वाह वाह वाह
क्या
वाह वाह
सुभान
वाह
अल्लाह।
वाह
सुन लो ससुर जी,
वाह
अब जिद छोड़ो।
कीर्ति का है
सुन लो ससुर जी,
वाह वाह
अब जिद छोड़ो,
वाह वाह वाह।
मान ले मेरी बात,
हाँ
दुल्हन तो जाएगी फिल्मी कोलाड़ा के साथ।
क्या बात
क्या बात है, सुभान
वाह,
अल्लाह,
वाह,
मरहबा।
वाह वाह
Yes.
क्या बात है क्या बात है
गालिब हूँ।
Yeah, man. जावेद जी, what?
Sorry Jad साहब, you're number 2 now.
Yeah.
No, he was always number 2 after
No,
Gulzar
you're-
Saab.
No, number 3. Sorry, Javed sahab. This is how you find out. Welcome to another episode of Popcorn Nation. My name is Anshul, joined by
Snail Aneja.
and
Abbas Momin.
we have a banging episode for you today.
Yes.
It's because we are recasting one of. If you're a 90s kid, it has to be one of your favorite films. If it is not,
You
are
are
probably
missing out.
You're probably 80s born or something. What are you?
Hey, I
fucking
am
loser?
80s born. It's
Oh,
my
shit,
favorite
sorry,
film.
dude.
One of my
Shit.
favorite
Then you are probably 70s born.
Maybe you're 2000s born.
Or you are a
Yeah,
2000.
maybe you're
That
2000s
makes more
born.
sense.
Yes.
Fucking Gen Z. Fuck off.
Sorry. No, we need Gen Z viewers. Our viewership is skewing a little old, I
Is
feel.
it? Yeah, it is queuing old.
Because
So
of
you
you.
want young people? Fine, you can stay.
Love you Gen Zs.
ठीक है.
Oh, I am a Gen Z. 16 days because of 16 days.
Nah.
You're a Gen Z just because 16 days?
Yeah, yeah,
16 days short of being a millennial, dude.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Millennial नहीं boomer. नहीं millennial होता है ना.
पागल है क्या तू?
Millennial sorry हाँ millennial.
पागल
Sorry
boomer.
sorry.
अपने आप को
sorry.
boomer बुला देते
नहीं
हैं.
पता नहीं मेरे को idea
बड़ा
नहीं.
boomer, dude.
But हाँ I think 97 onwards is Gen Z and I am 17th January 97.
Oh, crazy, man.
तो
Okay.
16 days से मैं
Yeah,
Gen Z
millennial,
हूँ.
you also?
Yeah, 80.
You're
He's a boomer.
you're a baby boomer.
83 onwards is millennial.
83 onwards. is
83 to
millennial.
97 or 99 is millennial.
Oh, crazy, dude.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So
I am Gen Alpha, guys.
हम बोल रहे थे we have to move on to relevant topics fast. And this is what you're choosing to spend
Yo,
the
I'm
founding
young, bro.
moments of this podcast, dude.
I know.
Let's do it,
I
man.
know 6'7".
The only bro, I don't know 6'7".
I know.
The only thing that Abbas thought would make him young was like, yo guys, I'm young. That's the most old way to tell that I'm young.
Yo, look at how young this
Was that
person
Steve
is.
Buscemi meme?
Yeah.
How's it going, fellow kids?
You know what that's from? That's
30
30 Rock.
Rock, nah, yeah,
Dude,
yeah.
the best character.
only millennials will
Yeah,
know
yeah.
that show.
Correct. Firstly, that. Okay, guys. So a very important episode. Okay. As we said, recasting Dulhe Raja.
Dulhe Raja, bro.
Okay. Is it? Would you say Dulhe Raja is your favorite Govinda movie, or right up there?
Right up there.
For sure, right up there.
For sure. Might actually be the
That-
favorite.
Dude, that
film.
and Hasina Man Jayegi. I keep going back and forth.
No, हसीना मान जाएगी से तो ज़्यादा enjoy करता हूँ मैं दूल्हे राजा.
Okay, sure.
हसीना मान जाएगी is that one ना, कोई आपको ऐसे भी नहीं टच कर सकता, कोई मैं आपके साथ हूँ ना तो कोई आपको ऐसे भी नहीं टच कर सकता.
Correct. Yes, that one. Dude, Hasina Man Jayegi and Badshah have a common plot line. If someone can tell me what it is.
I don't remember the plot line of Hasina Man Jayegi.
Not at all?
हाँ मुझे भी उतनी
Oh,
नहीं
so
याद.
there is. I mean, the plot line
The
वैसे is
assassination
के.
of a politician.
No, dude. The plot line. I mean, not the central plot line. Not the central plot line. One of the initial plot lines in both the movies is the hero acts like he's blind,
Oh.
and the woman then like, oh, आप अंधे हो, मैंने आपको बुरा भला बोल दिया. Okay, चलो ठीक है, I'll take care of you.
वो पिक्चर भी नीरज ओरा ने लिखी थी क्या?
हो सकता है.
और फिर तो अंधाधुन में भी काफी सिमिलरिटी है.
हाँ, correct, dude. Yes, absolutely right.
For me, I think it's between Dulhe Raja and Deewane Mastane and Hero Number 1. I think
Hero
these
Number One?
three. Yeah.
Okay.
मुझे उस लेवल का मजा वैसे उसमें भी बहुत आता है. नहीं वो क्या कहते हैं, अखियों से गोली मारे.
अरे अखियों से
ब्रो अखियों से गोली मारे.
That is like brain rot before brain rot was ever
एंड आई
a
थिंक
thing.
कोई आपको ऐसे भी नहीं टच कर सकता. आई थिंक दैट्स हद कर दिया आपने. द डायलॉग दैट आई वाज सेइंग, कोई आपको ऐसे भी नहीं टच कर सकता. हाँ आई थिंक दैट्स हद कर दिया आपने. बट यार डूड
अखियों से गोली मारे.
अखियों से गोली मारे.
Same director as Dulhe Raja, and Dulhe Raja, by the way, not directed by David Dhawan.
David
Some
Dhawan,
misconception that it was
Yes.
David
Dude,
Dhawan.
I absolutely mistake those two.
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
I
happens a lot.
absolutely mistake that Dulhe Raja is made by David Dhawan in my head all the time. I don't even double doubt myself.
भाई
No
देर
double-
हैव बीन टाइम्स जब मैंने घर में पूरा दिन उर्दू करके बात करी है. Just because we watched the film recently and we're like, मम्मा खाने में क्या उर्दू?
क्या बोल रहे हो?
I know we are digressing, but bro,
Dude, that and like, oi Gurzali lalu. That famous
small
from Hasina
things के
Wazir.
भाई एंड भाई कोऑपरेटिव बैंक में ये एक पाम डाला तो 5 लाख रुपया, 2 डाला तो 10 लाख. इट्स इंसेन ब्रो. अंगूठा छाप वाला वो है, सिग्नेचर वाला वो है ही नहीं. एक हो रहा
एक
तो
साथ.
फिर उसके बाद वो फयाज टक्कर
Fayaz Takkar.
भाई
of
crazy.
course, famous.
कहीं भी मार के अपन वो वॉल में होल कर देता है.
फिर वो मंकी कैप पहन के रॉब कर.
लोखंड
लाए
को.
भी किसको भाई, सबसे सिंगल पसले आदमी को.
Correct. That's so funny.
Oh dude,
Bro,
crazy.
एक उसमें डायलॉग मेरे को हमेशा इतनी हंसी आती है. वो मंकी कैप पहन के बैंक लूटने जाते हैं तो कादर खान बोलता है साले मुंह पे चड्डी पहन के.
Dude, I remember there's one more like Kader Khan going on legendary pairing. I think if I'm not wrong, this is Jodi number 1.
हाँ.
I'm pretty sure Jodi number 1, where Sanjay Dutt and Govinda are basically thugs, right? They're like they're thieves.
yeah.
So they go into the house, and to know whether the person is sleeping or not, they put like one of those, you know, birthday पे आता है ना, हाँ वो जो करके वो बोलता है. तो if the person is asleep and वो आवाज हो रही है तो मतलब he's snoring
He's
and then
snoring, हाँ.
that's how they. अरे यार ये आवाज बंद होगी क्या हो गया यार?
इसकी संजय दत्त गोविंदा की मुझे 1 और 11 में
1 और 11 में
बहुत
बहुत
भाई
सही है.
बेस्ट 1 और 11.
Didn't you tell me that Shankar San Law is like first album or something or
No,
very early
that's
on?
Mission Kashmir.
Oh,
but,
okay, Mission
I don't remember.
But this is also Shankar San Law. I'm pretty sure.
1 और 11 में मुझे वो एंड में जब कहते भाई when everything in life is going right, let's take another right.
Yeah. Another favorite line of mine from 1 और 11 is अरे भाई हम सबर कर रहे हैं ये कबर
कर रहा है.
अंडे का फंडा उसका ही है ना.
नहीं,
नहीं, वो
that's
जोड़ी.
that's जोड़ी
That's
नंबर
जोड़ी.
1. हाँ.
Bro, 1 और 11 में again this is such a, and I'm 100% sure this was a Govinda thing.
Yeah.
They're talking, okay? Sanjay Dutt and Govinda are just going over a plan or something.
Yeah.
And they're folding clothes while doing it, okay?
nice.
Okay.
And then suddenly plan पूरा हो गया. गोविंदा दिखता है, दोनों के हाथ में चड्डी होती है. पाजी ये आपकी है? भैया आपकी.
है
तारा और सितारा.
सितारा ओए सितारा
Crazy.
बाजी यार.
Crazy.
अरे तूने मैंने को जरूर स्लैप किया यार. There has to be always like a point of contention in the movie where the two of them will be and always Sanjay Dutt will be the one who hit.
Bro, and end में वो उसमें जब वो टैंक में बैठे होते हैं, पाजी
जी.
ओ ब्रो
और
क्रेजी.
वो लोग भागेदार है.
वो भागेदार
ये लोग
है.
ऐसे उड़ा के मस्त लाइव है.
वो है ना उसमें अपना जो भी वो फूड ब्लॉगर बन गया, क्या नाम है भाई का, बहुत बढ़िया एक्टर है यार, इसमें भी था क्योंकि मैं
फराह
झूठ नहीं
खान.
बोलता भाई. अरे फूड ब्लॉगर जो बन गया है, आशीष विद्यार्थी.
आशीष
आशीष
विद्यार्थी.
विद्यार्थी.
अच्छा,
अरे
हाँ,
he's
of
become
course.
a lot of things. He's become
Yeah.
a
Stand-up
stand-up
comedian.
comedian.
And
also,
Gulshan
yeah.
is also there, no?
या पैंथर.
Yeah, और उसका भाई is
पैंथर.
and his brother is like Cobra or something.
कोबरा
and Panther.
ये
ना?
आशीष विद्यार्थी का नाम कोबरा ही होता है
Correct,
ना.
correct, correct.
फिर वो एंड में बोलता है कि लात हम दोनों ने मारी
हाँ.
थी और फिर लात मार के भाग जाते हैं.
And Jackie
Bro,
Chan.
crazy. नहीं, now that I think of it, 1 और 11 is also right up there.
Yeah,
चलो हम
yeah,
एक और
yeah.
कैटेगरी का निकल रहे हैं. But no, Dulhe Raja, epic, excellent movie. What a cast, by the way. You realize the more you talk about these Govinda films, there are a few actors who will be there in every movie. Okay, so Govinda, Kader Khan expected. Johnny Lever, yes.
Yes,
Then you realize
Asrani.
Asrani is there in
Bro,
almost every of
कहीं
these
ना
movies.
कहीं असरानी नमक
Yeah.
के जैसे है ही है.
Hey, yeah, correct. Again, very interesting. But before we get to the main crux of the
Yes.
episode, we have a few important things to do, hygiene-wise. Firstly, guys, it's lucky draw time! Wow. 2 of you, one from our caramel tier and one from our salted tier, are going to win free tickets, free movie tickets. And why is that, Snail? Can you explain what our tiers are?
क्योंकि हमारे पास 2 tiers हैं मेंबरशिप के. एक है फुल कैरमल और एक है सॉल्टेड.
Please join.
हाँ, प्लीज ज्वाइन. अगर आप कैरमल का पार्ट बनते हैं तो आपको मिलती है एक फ्री मूवी टिकट एवरी ऑल्टरनेटिव वीक. और अगर आप कैरमल का पार्ट बनते हैं तो आपको मिलती हैं 2 मूवी टिकट्स
Whoa.
फ्री एवरी ऑल्टरनेटिव वीक. और आपको मिलता है चांस हमारे एपिसोड में फीचर होने का कि जो मूवी आप देख कर आए हो उस मूवी का आप रिव्यू हमें दे सकते हो 60 सेकंड्स के अंदर, और वो हम एपिसोड के एंड में डालेंगे.
Wow.
तो प्लीज ज्वाइन कर
guys.
लो यार मेंबरशिप. और हम लोग मेंबरशिप में बाय द वे एवरी ऑल्टरनेटिव वीक एक स्पेशल एपिसोड भी रिलीज करते हैं विच इज मेंबर्स ओनली, जो हम इस एपिसोड के बाद रिकॉर्ड करने वाले हैं. बढ़िया. सो दैट्स आल्सो अनदर पर्क एंड वी विल बी एडिंग मोर पर्क्स टू
Yeah.
द मेंबरशिप.
So how you win is through a lucky draw.
Yes.
Which we will be doing in front of you.
हाँ ऐसा अभी स्क्रीन पे दिखेगा आपको कहीं ना कहीं
And
पे।
here it goes.
पहले
Lucky
कौन सा
draw-
कर रहे हैं कैरमल या
This is salted tier.
Okay then.
One ticket to be won by. Drum roll.
Drum roll, drum.
Akash Pandey.
आकाश पांडे bro.
Pandey
जी.
Hey, nice.
We've been doing a podcast for very long.
Yeah. Also, क्योंकि स्टार तो बहुत है पर आकाश सिर्फ एक. Sorry, that's a new dialogue from wrong name. Okay, fine. Okay, that's one done. And let's get to now.
Caramel.
All right, caramel tier now. Here it is. 2 tickets to be won by drum roll, drum rolling, rolling drum rolling of the drum rolling. And it is Manish Vaswani.
मनीष वासवानी भाई किसी बड़े प्रोड्यूसर का नाम नहीं
I
लग
know,
रहा।
हाँ.
Manish
मनीष
Vaswani. Yes.
वासवानी वासवानी
Yes,
पिक्चर्स प्रेजेंट्स
Yes, absolutely.
मस्ती 5 मत बनाना भाई कभी कभी नहीं बनाने का
So congratulations to both the winners. You'll be getting your free tickets. Just get in touch with us. Let us know that
Yes.
you won. I mean,
मस्त
हमें
मेरे
बोल
को
देंगे,
ऐसा
but
डीएम कर दो जब भी एपिसोड रिलीज हो एंड आप ये एपिसोड देखो जस्ट ड्रॉप मी अ डीएम एंड
we'll
we'll
buy
get your
those tickets
tickets
for you.
sorted.
Awesome. That's done.
आप मुझे लगता है जो भी जीतेगा वो धुरंधर का टिकट लेगा मतलब
That makes sense. dude.
that makes sense
yeah.
actually yes
So shit, the
हाँ,
most
because-
expensive tickets of the year.
fuck bro so we are cancelling the lucky draw for
Turns out it doesn't apply anymore.
The conditions apply, not Durandar.
not Dhurandhar.
Any other
Yeah.
movie.
only masti 4 that also on Tuesdays
Yeah, unsubscribe कर देंगे लोग.
Again,
No, why
yeah.
हम देंगे tickets?
And just to close this off, we are again always appreciative that so many people,
Yes.
we have so many members now, so many people have joined the memberships, be it salted and caramel. Thank you so much. Tell your friends about us. Hope you enjoy this episode as well. Hit the like button, subscribe button, and chalo guys.
सबसे
Let's
पहले-
get to. All right, guys, it's time to get to the main part of this episode. Something I'm very excited about. All three of us are very excited about. Dule Raja recasting, and let me just right off the bat say again, as
हाँ
usual,
मेरी बेस्ट है मैं
I
जीतूंगा
am going to win.
हाँ और फिर
this
मैं
recasting.
गोविंदा
गोविंदा को बोलेगा गोविंदा को कोई रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकता
हाँ
तो हम
नहीं भाई वो
पर नहीं
अपने
कर
तो-
सकता।
ये तो मैं समझ गया था अभी इसका
पर वो तो
गोविंदा
कर ही नहीं
विक्रांत मसीह निकलेगा इसका
भाई
गोविंदा
देख लेना भाई
कादिर
देख
खान
लेना
निकलेगा
भाई।
इसका विक्रांत मसीह बट ओल्ड
and
Correct. And then Vikrant Masi, but female is Ravina.
your Ravina Tandon will be someone like Kusha Kapila or someone.
Yeah,
considering
Rebel
our
Kid.
Rebel Kid.
रेबेल
Yeah.
किड
Yeah.
Rebel Kid.
अगर ये रेबेल किड बसंती को बना सकता है
Done, bro. Yeah, that was excellent casting. I still stand by it.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
why not
Go
Why
back,
not?
Totally.
go back to the Jamie episode and see what you think of our recasting of Sholay. But starting off with Dulhe Raja, guys.
Dule Raja.
Okay, final thing before we get into the casting about Dulhe Raja. Do you think it still holds up as an awesome movie? Because me and Snail before the movie
Are
started.
you asking us if it has aged well?
Snail and I was just watching some parts of it.
Yeah.
And of course, some parts of it are extremely foolish and silly, but it's still ridiculously funny.
dude.
It's funny,
So
bro.
silly.
Yeah.
Ridiculously funny.
it could also be the nostalgia factor that we watched it when it was funny
That's true.
ठीक है
that's
तो
true,
इसलिए हमें आज भी वही इमोशन से लगता है कि वो कितना फनी है
हाँ.
हो सकता है आज के लोगों को ना लगे
लगे
उतना
उतनी,
फनी
हाँ.
बट इट्स फाइन fuck those people no I'm kidding but yeah I to fully love it like kabhi bhi I can watch it and I think I'll have the best time watching it
Dude, I watch
Same.
it like every 4-5 months. I just throw it on like nothing else to watch.
bro it's
My
so
family loves
silly.
it. It's an easy like dinner time watch.
Yeah,
because
I
we can't
agree.
watch politics because that goes into like a whole different zone in our
हाँ,
family.
वो-
So
बात
There's
भी ना
politics
करे
in
तो
Dule Raja. It's a socialist movie. It's about the guy who owns an
oh,
independent
the underdog.
business.
Yeah, correct.
बीच
against the
में वो
capitalist.
लालू प्रसाद यादव को भी तो फोन करता है
Yeah.
अरे लालू जी,
Crazy.
हाँ ये हमरा ढाबा तोड़ने को आया हूँ.
fact that he's like मैं इतना खुश हो गया हूँ कि मैं खुश हो खंबे पे चढ़ गया हूँ कि भाई वो खंबे की तार से तार लगा के फोन पे
That makes
भाई,
no sense.
that makes
No sense.
absolutely no sense
And then multiple parts in the movie.
bro
And I just don't understand. Johnny Lever किसकी साइड में है?
वो तो तेरी साइड में
Oh, पर ये कैसे मेरी साइड में? ये कैसे मेरी साइड में? मैंने आपका
ये उंगली
ये कैसा मेरी साइड में?
दिल आपकी साइड
Oshar ji, chalo.
Yeah.
Should we start?
Crazy.
How are we going? We going from the leads to the side characters?
there are no side characters
I mean, yeah,
in
sure.
Dule Raja
Only main character.
only main characters
characters.
every character is a main character
Cool.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. I think main characters and side characters.
Sure.
Two side
स्टार्टिंग में ही
characters.
गोविंदा बता देंगे हम
हाँ, chalo.
Oh,
Oh.
I think so. Basically, it has to be the dual.
I think for Govinda,
Team,
let's,
right.
let's do solo like 1-1. And then
हाँ,
जब वो
चलेगा.
जब विलन्स की बात आएगी तो मैं तीनों को साथ में बताऊंगा क्योंकि
No, okay, fair enough. But I think like in this movie the trifecta of the hero, heroine and the father has to be
अबे तो
well
एपिसोड
matched.
15 मिनट में खत्म हो जाएगा यार।
तो फिर अब पापा का बता दी तो फिर अब वो पुलिस वाले बता दो, अब वो
हाँ,
पुलिस वाले बता दिए तो-
Guys, so
Here are
basically,
my recasting.
guys, basically the main 8 people in the movie have to be cast together. Okay? वो तो साथ में होने ही चाहिए. But okay, then what you're saying not Govinda first or
Govinda first, then Kader
Then-
Khan, then Ravina, then
What's the start?
Johnny
Oh,
Lee.
do you think Kadir Khan has a more important role than Ravina Tandon in the film?
Yeah,
100%.
definitely.
Dude. What are you talking about it?
मैं
The
चालू
cockroach
करूं?
that has
मुझे-
more important role than Ravina Tandon. No, it
देखो
doesn't.
मैं बोलूं, देखो
It does not.
गोविंदा का कास्ट करने की रिकास्ट करने के लिए इस फिल्म में क्या चाहिए आपको? थोड़ा गरीब दिखना चाहिए हीरो, ठीक है?
अबे ये पता नहीं, मुझे समझ में नहीं
अरे
आता आप दोनों
वही
को ऐसा-
प्रेमिस है भाई, वही
आप
प्रेमिस
दोनों को
है
ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि पहले
Correct.
ही सेंटेंस में अगर मैंने ये पॉडकास्ट कैंसिल ना
भाई
कराया,
प्रेमिस
अरे,
वही है पिक्चर का,
But see,
गरीब हीरो अमीर विलन।
firstly,
हाँ।
I would argue गोविंदा गरीब नहीं लगता है. Like
पर-
उसके
पर
कपड़े,
पिक्चर में
उसके कपड़े they try to.
हाँ ठीक है,
but
वही बोल
गोविंदा
रहा
looks very
हूँ,
upmarket.
जो हीरो गरीब कपड़ों में अच्छा लगे, ठीक है, जो बहुत कम होता है आजकल हमारी फिल्मों
क्या
में।
राजकुमार राव?
तो बेसिकली आप दो मेरे इसमें दो लोग थे, ठीक
राजकुमार
है,
राव.
राजकुमार राव
भाई, मेरा भी राजकुमार राव है।
और विकी कौशल।
ए मेरा भी इधर
I have gone for Vicky Kaushal.
Brother,
bro,
brother,
fuck bro,
brother.
And you need
Brother.
someone who will do justice to dialogue delivery of whatever can be closest to Govinda.
you guys
What?
have
No, wait.
zero thought,
Wait.
both of
Wait,
you.
dude, you won't say that because Vicky Kaushal is Govinda naam mera. Hey, all right, that's it, guys. Best casting ever.
So Raju नाम होता है ना?
राजा,
राजा.
दूल्हे राजा.
नहीं,
हाँ.
it's Rajkumar Rao.
So for me, it's Vicky Kaushal. I think he has good enough comedic timing, and I think he will play off well with my recasting of Kader
और
Khan,
उसका
which will
नाम ही
come.
गोविंदा है.
तेरा कौन है?
मेरा राजकुमार राव and Vicky
मैंने
Kaushal.
सोचा
also.
राजकुमार राव again it's too obvious. So I
Both
was
of
like-
them are too obvious.
Okay, but then
Both of you have
तेरा
put
कौन है? चल
zero-
तू बता,
भाई मेरा
स्नेहल।
तो क्रेजी है ब्रो जी.
Crazy
आप
कर दिया,
दोनों
bro.
ने अपना बता
आयुष्मान
के
खुराना।
अरे नहीं,
इसका है आहान पांडे है.
जहाँ पे आप लोग का सोच खत्म होता है वहां से मेरा सोच
Okay,
शुरू
चल,
होता है.
चल,
ठीक है,
चल.
okay, let's
Let's
see.
check.
Let's
ठीक
see.
है. मेरे लिए
I am fully primed to hate your option already.
नहीं ब्रो जी,
कोई
मैं
तो ऐसा पॉश हीरो होगा इसका.
नहीं भाई,
वरुण
मेरा
धवन types.
मेरा गोविंदा है दिलजीत दोसांझ ब्रो. एक सेकेंड.
The vibe not at all.
110%
Not at all.
bro.
Not
Tonight
at
शो
all.
पे परफॉर्म करता है
अरे
यार दिलजीत दोसांझ.
वो तो ठीक है.
तो-
भाई.
वर्ल्ड टूर करता
How
है.
is that?
क्या कैसी
How
बात
is
है?
dude,
Stop.
ढाबे का ओनर
Bro, एक second.
That
एक
just
second,
makes him
bro.
more
क्या कैसी
marketable.
बातें कर रहे हो
That's
आप?
not the point.
भाई
I'm saying the
दिलजीत
vibe is not the
भाई
same.
पूरी प्रॉपर वाइब में आपको आपने वो देखी है ना गुड न्यूज
Good news देखिए.
भाई. प्रॉपर कॉमिक टाइमिंग है उसकी. ऊपर से भाई हम वी कैन लिटरली प्ले इनटू द पंजाबी
ढाबे वाला.
हाँ
हाँ वैसे
ढाबे
तो
वाला.
ढाबे वाला हाँ.
चलो ढाबे वाला मतलब लाइक द पंजाबी रेस्टोरेंटर जो अपना पंजाबी फूड नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड मुंबई में आके पूरा ओनर और पूरा स्वैग में कि सामने 5 स्टार है मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता भाई पंजाबी आ गए हुए मेरा तो ढाबा यहीं रहेगा भाई. क्रेजी शिट है. क्या
Bro,
बात कर रहे हो आप?
I kind of see it. Okay. in
नहीं,
all
you
honesty.
see it.
No, I
You
kind of
just
see
don't
it.
want to admit. That's
No,
why
I
you're
kind of
saying
see
you
it.
kind of
But
see
the
it.
thing is, Rajkumar Rao as a dhaba owner would be hilarious, dude. His comic timing is unmatched. Nobody
एक
is funnier
second.
than Rajkumar Rao.
You're
If he
in
chooses a good
way-
comedy role,
see, you're
nobody's
rewriting
better.
the role of Raja if you cast Diljit Dosanjh in it, because दूल्हे राजा का जो plot है, it's a very quintessential mainstream Hindi this thing. Diljit hasn't proven himself that much in a mainstream Hindi film.
Bro, क्या बात
He must
कर
be
रहे हो आप?
hilarious in Punjabi films. I'm not
No, he's
disputing that.
so पंजाबी फिल्म में तो
Give
वो
me an-
लेजेंड है.
Give me an example of a mainstream Hindi film where Diljit has
Good
killed
news
it.
बोला ना भाई.
Killed it. He's killed it.
Bro,
in
he's
Killed it तो नहीं
bro,
ऐसे.
एक सेकंड.
उसमें उसके साथ मेरा वाला कास्टिंग का था.
there are-
better.
Killed it तो नहीं है.
there are scenes जहाँ पे वो अक्षय कुमार को ओवरशैडो करता है उस फिल्म में when it comes to comic timing. क्या बात कर रहे हो आप लोग?
तो
उसने
that
भाई
too is
he
the
is
writing in-
as
writing
we
का है ना.
speak he has been nominated for an Emmy for as acting को लेके. आप क्या
Which movie?
for चमकीला क्या बात कर रहे
He
हो
got
आप?
nominated for an Emmy?
Yeah bro.
Bro, because he was playing a character which is
Like a serious
from
character.
his
अरे
region.
तो acting वाह क्या बात, ये तो भाई ऐसे तो इस हिसाब से तो हर बॉलीवुड एक्टर को एक प्रॉपर नॉर्थ इंडियन मेल प्ले करने में सबको नेशनल अवार्ड मिल जाना चाहिए, नहीं मिल रहा ना.
अमर सिंह चमकीला was a singer, he was a Sardar. He's
अरे
Diljit
तो-
has been influenced by Amar Singh Chamkila. So obviously all of those things will play into that, yeah.
I completely agree, but that doesn't mean कि उसका एक्टिंग खराब है ना उस पिक्चर में.
Where do you see Amar Singh Chamkila and be like, अच्छा, he'll be a great Raja for Dulhe Raja?
अरे मैं आप कह रहे हो कि उसने प्रूव कैसे
Where-
prove कहाँ किया acting
where
में?
is he-
भाई कॉमेडी, एक सेकंड, कॉमेडी में उसने एक तो पंजाबी इंडस्ट्री का तो वो सुपरस्टार
वो
है when it
होगा,
comes to comedy.
मैंने फिर
ठीक
पंजाबी
है?
फिल्में देखी नहीं, मैं नहीं comment कर
ए
सकता।
दैट बीइंग सेड, उसके बाद उसने अगर आप उसकी गुड न्यूज का मैंने एग्जांपल दिया, कॉमेडी, क्रेजी कॉमेडी करी है उसने उसमें, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल विल एग्री. कई सीन्स हैं जहाँ पे उसने अक्षय कुमार को ओवरशैडो किया. और अगर आप एक्टिंग प्रोवेस की बात कर रहे हो, उड़ता पंजाब में उसने बहुत बढ़िया एक्टिंग करी है. चमकीला में लिटरली ही इज देयर इन
But very different vibe, dude.
Bro, but that
But you're only counting good news. What I would say, if you look at the other actors, okay, like Rajkumar Rao, Vicky Kaushal, they have done.
भाई विकी कौशल का कौन सा कॉमेडी फिल्म हिट हुआ है मेरे को बताना.
मतलब डंकी.
Comedy timing is great, bro.
बताओ ना कौन सी पिक्चर हिट हुई है उसकी.
Bad news.
हिट हुई थी बैड न्यूज.
Yeah.
हुस्न तेरा तौबा तौबा.
तौबा तौबा, वही तो.
Yeah, bro.
वेरी वेरी फनी भाई.
Yeah.
ये ज्यादा कॉमेडी थी उस पिक्चर से.
But
विकी
dude-
कौशल का गोविंदा मेरा नाम, जो आप पिक्चर का नाम ले रहे हो, इतनी बुरी तरीके से टैंक
वो तो-
करी
वो
थी
तो-
वो फिल्म.
Just
अच्छी
went on
picture
streaming, bro. Did it not
But-
went on gone streaming?
But it tanked, regardless.
But was it released in theaters?
No, it went to streaming.
I think it went
हॉटस्टार
straight
पे
on
थी
streaming.
शायद,
Yeah.
हाँ, डायरेक्टली.
Yeah.
बट जो भी है,
but
आई
see,
स्टिल थिंक
Nobody can doubt Rajkumar Rao.
राजकुमार
He
राव
would
कॉमेडी.
he would be perfect. Okay, he is
Yeah, bro, but
the
again,
underdog
it's-
dhaba owner.
it's
He's already done
such a-
dhaba.
ब्रो
owner.
राजकुमार
He's
राव,
done-
राजकुमार, आपने वो देखी है वो राज एंड डीके वाला, वो कौन सा शो आया था,
Gulab, Guns.
गंज एंड गुलाब. गंज एंड
हाँ.
गुलाब में वो ढाबा ओनर प्ले करता है. जिस तरीके से वो ढाबा ओनर प्ले
Dude,
करता है,
no.
उसी तरीके से उसने स्त्री में भी प्ले किया
वही
है.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ,
Dude,
it is copy paste.
So the thing is, he has played a dhaba owner of different capacities. You know, in Ludo, he plays a dhaba owner with a Mithun obsession, and that's funny.
हाँ सॉरी, मैं लूडो की बात कर रहा था, नॉट गन्स एंड गुलाब.
Oh,
बट
okay.
एनीवे,
हाँ, उसमें तो
हाँ वो
पप्पू पंक्चर या
हाँ पंचर वाला है वो. हाँ
टाइगर ऐसे कुछ.
बट ब्रो एक सेकेंड, आई कैन सी व्हाई यू वांट राजकुमार राव देयर, बट राजकुमार राव इज वेरी स्त्री,
Cliche, yeah,
क्लीशे
it's become
स्त्री.
a
But
cliche
no,
now.
Way
dude,
he'll
it's
put it.
all about the writing.
अरे
It's all. See, the thing is, right? I feel
भाई,
Then
Rajkumar
why
Rao.
are we
no,
doing
no, no.
recast?
हाँ,
We
इतने-
should do a rewrite.
rewrite,
Dude,
हाँ.
dude, dude,
आप
dude, I'll
इतने
tell you.
खराब रिबटल कैसे लाते हो
I
आप?
think, dude, I think Rajkumar Rao can meld himself to any role imaginable.
Yes, and yet you've put him in a role which
Yeah.
he's been doing since the
Yeah.
last 5 years.
So, dude, because it's if you're saying, see, firstly, I think he brings.
You know, this
a
is
li-
like
wait, wait.
saying, bol.
I think he brings a little bit of differentness in every role, regardless. Okay.
हाँ
Like he
भाई,
थोड़ा तो अजीब, थोड़ा तो
भाई,
अलग करता ही है वो. bro.
कॉमेडी का वो ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही जोन पकड़ता है.
नहीं,
क्योंकि
नहीं,
ये
नहीं.
भी हो सकता है कि क्योंकि उसको रोल भी कॉमेडी वाले सेम ही जोन के मिल रहे हैं, तो वो करता भी वैसे ही है. मैं
हाँ.
उसकी एक्टिंग को लेके डाउट नहीं कर रहा. ही इज आई थिंक वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट एक्टर्स दैट वी हैव.
Yeah.
बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू अ कास्टिंग लाइक दिस, आई फील वो वापस से वो स्त्री वाले जोन में आ जाएगा. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई इट्स अ वेरी बैड कास्टिंग.
But no, why? Firstly, if he is playing to his strengths, there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, if he can do a good job playing to his strengths, people love that. People love that about anyone
भाई, but
playing
then
to their strengths and
after-
doing well.
भाई यही कर करके आयुष्मान खुराना के पास पिक्चर नहीं है.
Bro, then he did
क्योंकि
bad
वो
movies also, na, in the middle.
भाई but he was going on the same formula, no, and he's having a hard time to break out of that
So
now.
Rajkumar, abhi to right now, तो he's at top of the world after 3-2, dude. तो
Bro,
anything,
3-2
then
के
he
बाद वो
also
मालिक
did,
किया और
and
मालिक
also-
Malik tanked, yes.
मालिक टैंक दिया.
video that
Because people want to see
The-
him in
हाँ,
like
वो वाला
lighter.
Vicky
विक्की
विद्या का
विद्या का वो वाला
हाँ,
वीडियो.
See, but the thing
Again
is,
very
where he
similar.
did the same three wala role in
correct.
a tank.
But the thing is, people right now want to see Rajkumar in this.
People know you.
Yeah, that's
In
how
like
he
this
says.
chill role, dude.
हमारा नाम राजकुमार राव है. भाई एक बंदा है जो वो राजकुमार राव का मिमिक्री करता है उस पे Instagram पे. He's like राजकुमार राव in every role ever.
I know,
Have you
yeah.
seen that? That's such a
वह
fun
उसने
reel.
Lads of Bollywood में भी उसकी मजाक उड़ा दिया ना इसी चीज पे.
हाँ, correct.
Small
Small
town
town
hero.
hero.
नहीं, इसमें तो भाई दिलजीत takes the cake, bro, in this round.
नहीं, bro.
Chalo,
110%.
tell us what
Raj.
you think, guys.
It's Raju.
Bro,
Raju
Diljit
Kumar.
fits perfectly.
Rao.
ढाबा, food, पंजाबी, fuck you 5-star, पंजाबी आगे हुए, comedy, acting,
Bro, I don't
everything.
get it. Rajkumar Rao has done all of this and aced everything. Every single thing is ace, dude.
The swag that Diljit carries, bro.
Bro, have you
The
seen Bareilly की बर्फी?
अरे ब्रो मुझे मालूम है but that does not fit here. ऐसे तो स्वैग तो उसने उस गाने में भी दिखाया है, ठुकरा के मेरा प्यार इंतकाम देखेगी, but
Correct.
that does not fit in दूल्हे
Bro,
राजा, no.
और if you're talking about swag तो मालिक में भी है, पर मूवी नहीं चली, you know. But what I'm saying,
अरे but वो
Rajkumar
comedy-
Rao can bring something new to every single role. Ulta Diljit is the one who seems the same in almost every comedy role. Will be the comedy Diljit, the serious role will be the serious Diljit. ओए यही आता है, बस टुनाइट शो करके आता है. ओए कुछ चला आ गए
more
हुए,
intense than I thought it
पंजाबी
would be.
आ गए हुए, क्या कर रहे हो पंजाबी आ गए तो? हाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
Anyway, should we go to Kader Khan? Should we go to Ravina?
I think Kader is more.
है ना?
Kader.
Yeah.
अच्छा, have we
Like
agreed that I was the one?
There
No,
is no
not a
winner,
chance.
okay?
अच्छा,
It's just
There is a winner,
casting.
Rajkumar Rao.
अबे चल, राजकुमार राव तो ये खुद नहीं मान रहा, इसने लिखा है ऑप्शन में.
इसने पहला ऑप्शन दिया
मैंने
था,
option
not
में लिख
great.
के discard कर
Yeah,
दिया.
Vicky Kaushal, he thought Vicky Kaushal is a good option.
Yeah,
But
it is.
Govinda नाम मेरा. I would still say Vicky Kaushal is also a better option than Diljit. But
नहीं.
see,
but okay.
I'll tell you what, right? I will give Snehal the fact that he did a little bit of outside the box thinking, while
I
Abbas
don't
and I
think
kind of stuck to the, dare I say
नहीं,
it, slightly lazier
The
answer.
only reason he has that reference is because he also watches Punjabi stuff, bro.
That's also true. Yes.
हाँ तो उसके अंदर that's my
everyone-
style.
अगर हम भी देखते
Oh, so good.
हद हो गई.
So all of us are lazy. चलो good. चलो फिर ठीक है. फिर
चल ठीक है, कादिर खान.
Kader Khan. Okay, guys.
कौन जाएगा? मैं last time I went first.
Okay, I'll go first.
Okay.
Oh, or unless.
नहीं बोलो, हेलो आप बोलो, मैं बहुत देर से चिल्ला रहा हूँ.
So I have two good options.
Okay. ये मुझे लगता है आपका मेरा सेम हो सकता है.
The problem here is that, again, if I say this first person's name, no, I worry that you both will again fucking start bombarding in my ear कि ओ तो किया है उसने, और कितनी बार करेगा सेम ही
बोल
रोल.
रहा है, ठीक है.
बोल ना, हम
Gone for
वापस
the-
बोल देंगे सेम चीज़ है, हमें क्या फर्क है. हम 3 साल से बोल रहे हैं.
Correct. So I think firstly Boman Irani
I
would be
also
great.
had
मेरे को
one of the
पता था कोई ना
potentials.
कोई मैंने बमन लिख के काट दिया. मैंने
मेरा
कहा छोड़ो, कोई
potentials में
पॉइंट
था,
नहीं
but
है.
I
हाँ.
Yeah.
haven't gone for
Fair.
him.
So I think Boman would be great
Hmm.
in this. But again, he would nail this. This is the kind of role
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
already played.
I agree, I
He's
agree.
Amazing.
मतलब मुन्ना
Yeah.
भाई MBBS उठा के यहाँ डाल सकते हो आप.
Correct, yeah. Like in his sleep, he can do this. Okay, so safe bet, great bet.
Yeah.
No, nothing can go wrong with this. But if you want to go a little, kick it up a notch, a little bit, I would the name I would like to see in like this frustrated hotelier father, okay, hates this fucking dhaba wala
Yeah.
who's below him, below his standards, can't
Yeah.
meet his daughter's fucking hand in marriage. And I would like to see this actor, again the name I would say, I would like to see this actor go a pitch above Kader Khan's pitch. The Kader Khan's pitch is like, "Hey, तुमने ऐसा किया?" I want to see this actor a little more hyper in that pitch as the father's role, because it would suit this guy a lot. Anil Kapoor, I think would be very unique. in
Anil
this.
Kapoor and Rajkumar Rao.
मतलब मैंने
Yeah.
अनिल कपूर भी सोचा था, मुझे पता था कोई ना कोई अनिल कपूर बोलेगा, तो फिर मैंने डाला नहीं. मेरे पास
I
बहुत
think would be great. Anil Kapoor
Shawara.
would work very well. Anil Kapoor,
Shawara.
not a doubt, without a doubt, aces
Like,
comedy
he'll be like,
everywhere.
अबे झापड़ी के तेरे को क्या लगता है तेरा हवा मेरे 5 स्टार से ऊपर है.
But that's what I'm saying.
Hey,
he
Jabri.
would go a different pitch. He is not the Kader Khan pitch. His acting is
I
not
get that, but you know
Yeah.
what? I get what you're saying. That pitch, that insane Anil Kapoor
That-
behavior.
I mean,
the
yeah.
kind of close to something like he was in No Entry, right?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
But we
Divana
haven't seen
Mastana,
that Anil Kapoor in a long time. If
But-
anything, he's gone
But
way
I
more
think
subdued
yeah,
now.
correct.
Huh.
But I think the problem is that he's not being offered those fun roles. Like Juk Juk Jio,
Maybe.
there was kind of in
also,
that way.
AK versus AK, if you've seen it.
I
Oh,
have.
what a film.
What
in
a film.
that,
But-
Anil Kapoor was last time.
But
I
again, a
think he
different
was
way.
in
That's not the comedy way of Anil
Sure,
Kapoor.
okay.
The Juk Juk Jio, a little bit
okay.
is that, but they didn't take full advantage of Anil Kapoor's full capacity in that. But I think he could nail this, dude. This is like a role almost that he would be almost perfect for. But
I don't
in
know,
all
I
honesty,
haven't seen comedy Anil Kapoor in a long time.
हाँ और
but
जब
regardless,
जब
are
I
you
think
doubting the
जब-
fact that he can still do it?
Yeah.
जब
But
नहीं
no,
I'll
he's
tell you so
amazing, dude.
whenever Anil Kapoor tries comedy ना वो I think comedy को जैसा आपने बोला
No,
वो
I get it, I
दो
get it.
नॉच
Rich
ऊपर ले
Anil
जाता है.
Kapoor पता है मुझे दिल धड़कने दो वाला
Exactly.
दिमाग में
हाँ.
but he's
Dude, that's
not
a good
that
way.
is a grumpy Anil Kapoor.
मैं वही बोलने
but
वाला
see, there
था.
are certain parts in that the Dil Dhadkne Wale Kapoor, where he is his in those scenes the pitch is perfect. Like for instance, plane चाहिए तुम्हें? Plane चाहिए तुम्हें?
I understand, but
like that.
But an entire film of
Huh?
that
Of that while we
could
hamming.
actually be like बहुत hamming हो जाएगा वो.
Bro, I'm not saying he's going to do that entire every line
You
is going
just
to
said you want him to go
No,
above
but
Kader
but
Khan.
that's the pitch. And then with that pitch you have levels
And
of course, man.
Rajkumar Rao, what a headache of a movie.
I thought the both of you were actors, guys. I thought you were thespians who knew the art.
वो स्त्री कर रहा है, वो दिल तो कर रहा है.
क्या कर रहे हो यार?
मस्त एकदम मजा आ जाएगा.
Ah, good life, man. Good life.
चलो.
I would love to see that.
What do you have?
So Baman was one of my
मेरा नाम दो
this
बार
thing.
बमन है.
But then it came down to two actors. The one that almost just made it,
Is Amir Khan on anyone's list?
no,
That would be
was
insane.
Paresh Rawal. Again, he's done this kind of role before. Frustrated,
Father of the bride.
senior guy who is this thing.
एक
But
मिनट, हाँ.
the actor I've gone for is a character actor who you've seen in a lot of things, but he's not got like a full-on meaty main role like
Vijay
this.
Raj, Sanjay Mishra.
No, I've gone for Manoj Pawar. I think he will pull this off because he can pull off being hyper. He can pull off being rich and owning a hotel, that kind of dominance type ka. And I think he has a comedic flair that
Comedic
He's
flair तो
great
definitely
comedic
has.
flair.
मेरे को
But
थोड़ा
somehow
rich
in
वाले
my
में
mind,
हाँ
yeah,
वो
in
मेरे
my
को
mind somehow
So
it does
you've
not
seen
come out.
IC-814, right?
Yeah,
उसमें
yeah.
जो जैसे उसका ऑफिसर वाला रोल था, it was not comedic, but then
But the
he
thing
had
is, see,
this.
he has to come off a little bougie. That's part
I
of the
think
role.
Manoj Pawar can pull it off.
So ये बूजी वाले एंगल
The
की वजह से
reason-
मैंने एक एक्टर को मैंने निकाला हुआ, मैं बताऊंगा आपको.
Okay.
ऐसा हो गया?
The thing is because वो middle class गरीब, वो जो भी गांव वाला या मिडिल क्लास शहरी उसको बना देते हैं हर रोल में.
मिडिल क्लास गरीब
गाँव वाला।
भाई मैं यही बैठा हूँ.
तो इसलिए आई थिंक मनोज पावा को वो नहीं. आई थिंक गिवन मनोज पावा इज आल्सो इन दिल धड़कने दो, राइट?
Yeah.
तो
So I
फ्लोर
think
पे
he
जब है
can-
आई येलो येलो.
he can pull it off. So for me, I would go with Manoj Pawar.
So I have zero doubts when it comes to his acting
Yeah.
abilities.
Yeah.
Comedy ace.
Excellent.
बस मुझे वो थोड़ा भाई क्या
सेठ
बात
आदमी है
कर
वो,
तो
बूझी
सेठ
नहीं है.
आदमी भाई.
सेठ and bougie is different.
I agree, but
very
then-
bougie.
भाई-
Have you seen that scene where he shows off how much
Yeah.
how much richer
और
his
ये
उसी
daughter
देखो,
is?
और
कपड़े.
उसी चीज को मद्देनजर रखते हुए
नहीं, नहीं, ये देखो
मेरा
ये
option.
जूते जो एक बार मेरी बेटी पहन लेती
कभी नहीं पहनती।
कभी
देखती
कभी
भी
आँख
नहीं है।
नहीं आँख नहीं देखती उसके.
और सेठ जी मुझे तो ये चीजें दिखाया मत करो यार, क्या है ना इसका भी शौक. और जहाँ तक इसकी बात है
ये
इसको
तो
मैं
उठा भी
उठा
सकता
भी
हूँ,
सकता हूँ.
इसको
और उठा
भाग
भी
सकता हूँ.
भाग भी सकता हूँ.
But you were about to reveal your
Yes,
choice.
yes.
Yeah.
मैं पहले वो बताता हूँ जो कैरेक्टर मैंने ऑलमोस्ट हटाया वो बूजी के एंगल से. दैट वाज रवि किशन. आई वाज एक्चुअली थिंकिंग रवि किशन कुड बी अ ग्रेट फिट. उसका कॉमेडी टाइमिंग भी बहुत अच्छा है.
Yeah.
बट मैंने कभी उसको मैं मामला लीगल है रेफरेंस लेके डाल रहा था.
Great.
बट आई वाज थिंकिंग कि शायद बूजी वाले एंगल में रह जाए, इसलिए मैंने उसको दूसरे रोल में कास्ट किया बिकॉज आई रियली वांटेड टू हैव रवि किशन इन द
Okay.
कॉमेडी ensemble. बट टेक दैट एज माय सेकंड ऑप्शन. बट द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन वाज आर माधवन.
अभी because तूने
बिकॉज अभी हमने
He
देख
just
लिया
saw
दे दे
दे दे
प्यार
प्यार
दे
दे
टू
टू.
एंड दिस कैरेक्टर इज लिटरली द कैरेक्टर दैट कादिर
You know,
Khan is.
I thought of that, but I did not take that because I was like, Dide Pyar De 2 should not be my reference point for anything.
नहीं, it's
Okay?
not a reference.
And also because I felt Dide Pyar De 2
Recency bias.
first, part of the reason why I didn't take it. And also Dide Pyar De 2 में Madhavan, it wasn't the same kind of pitch. You know what I mean?
पिच को क्यों लेके बैठ
You know, it's a thing, dude.
पिच
But it
कोच बन
matters.
जाओ. इंडियन टीम की जरूरत है, हम पिच नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हैं.
हाँ ठीक है भाई, but it definitely matters.
नहीं,
having
it
the
does,
correct-
but I think आर माधवन ने वो वाला कैरेक्टर बहुत सही पकड़ा है जहाँ पे वो अपनी बेटी के लिए जो रिश्ता बेटी को पसंद है वो नहीं.
So your main duo is R Madhavan and
आर
Diljit.
माधवन एंड दिलजीत ब्रो, इट वुड बी अमेजिंग. दोनों का कॉमिक टाइम, मतलब मुझे आर माधवन की कॉमिक टाइमिंग इसमें पूरी कास्ट में से सबसे बेस्ट लगी है जो दे दे प्यार दे टू थी.
अरे उसी ने ऐसा काम
And
किया bro.
उसी ने किया है, उसकी वजह से मैं 2.5 घंटे बैठ पाया पिक्चर में. ठीक है. एंड आई फील Diljit और R Madhavan, bro, imagine them singing that Qawwali, dude. Fucking baller of a comedy sequence that would be. मतलब imagine R Madhavan doing कहाँ राजा भोज कहाँ गंगू तेली, भाई.
Bro, Anil Kapoor and
Bro,
Rajkumar Rao.
Manoj Pawar doing will be hilarious.
It would be hilarious.
I
Hello.
agree. I
But,
agree.
to
by the
floor
way,
pe
just
chal-
as a like a side on this thing, I don't think you would remember this. Neither of you would. Zee TV पर 90s में एक शो आया करता था घर जमाई, ठीक है?
Okay.
Cast
remember.
was R Madhavan was the son-in-law
what?
and the Sasur was Satish Shah.
Oh wow.
Very similar dynamic of Dudhe Raja, but of course he was in the
Of
hero
course,
role,
yeah.
and Satish Shah was in the Kader Khan role. It just reminded me of that.
But
Anyway,
I
moving on.
fully like this. And मैंने एक और चीज like R माधवन को कास्ट करने के साथ साथ इसी के साथ अब R माधवन के बाद हम मतलब सॉरी क्या नाम है कादिर खान के बाद रवीना टंडन पे ना जाके जॉनी लीवर पे आते हैं बिकॉज
ठीक है।
उनका डायनामिक्स
Correct.
ज्यादा
Fair.
साथ में है.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो मैं जो
भाई,
मैंने
मेरे पास तो है ही नहीं ऐसा जॉनी लीवर यार.
कोई
बिल्कुल
नहीं
भी
मेरे पास है.
तेरे पास अच्छा है.
मेरे पास
बहुत सही, मैं आपको बता रहा
I'll come to
हूँ.
it,
ठीक है, तो आर माधवन वाज माय कादिर खान एंड माय जॉनी लीवर वाज ब्रिजेश हीरजी.
Dude.
Bro,
Okay,
good
because
choice,
of
actually,
your
I'll tell-
RSTDM.
हाँ
RSTDM.
yes
Because of
RSTDM
what?
RSTDM
हाँ,
भाई. So अभी because we have the flavor of the season is meta jokes. आपको पसंद हो ना पसंद हो, hate it love it,
उसका नाम मैडी होएगा.
ठीक है.
वही जोड़ी
Bro,
तूने repeat
वहाँ
करी
पे
है.
हम अगर जोड़ी रिपीट करते हैं and there are so many internal jokes that one
Fair.
can meta
Yeah,
jokes one
yeah.
can crack, and in a setup like Dule Raja those jokes if written well would land. Every joke will land.
That is
That is funny,
That is
yeah.
true. That is
तो
true.
Yeah, imagine a fat
Yeah.
Amir Madhavan coming in frame and they're playing Maddie in the background.
Bro,
Maddie,
imagine like
Maddie.
like Maddie
Correct.
वो इधर ब्रिजेश हीर जी दिलजीत की तारीफ करता है and then he's like अबे तेरे को कितना बियर पिलाया है मैंने, तू मेरी साइड है कि उसकी साइड है, and then he's like मैं तेरे लिए वो ये लेकर आया था ना वो ग्लास और वो लेकर आया था ना, बस मेरा हो गया तेरे को लेके अब.
Bro,
अब मैं उसकी side
your
हूँ.
hero can be singing such keh raha hai Deewana under his breath.
Bro, that's what I'm
Oh,
saying.
stop giving him ideas.
I mean, now I'm sold, dude. I can't help it. This Brijesh Harji thing just told
Bro,
me.
crazy. I think I aced it with these three characters.
I think because of Brijesh Harji, I think your Madhavan makes sense to me.
है ना?
I'll buy it.
Yeah, I'll
buy
give you
it.
that.
I'll buy
Rajesh
it.
Ji as a comedic actor also
Yeah.
is great.
Bro, great कहो ना
By the way, I
यार.
saw him at
Dude.
Prithvi when I went to see a play and I waved at him and he waved back. So
Oh,
thanks,
nice.
Rajesh.
Nice, nice.
What do you know him?
We mentioned him on an RSTDM episode of Has It, and he heard it and he got me and Urjit on his radio show.
Oh, what?
So yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's
Dude,
why-
I didn't know
why
that.
did he know?
वो पूरे एपिसोड में मैं उसको हरजेश वीर जी बुलाया. But
my
yeah.
my first encounter with ब्रिजेश हीर जी was कि मैं जब एक बारी आराम नगर में प्ले करने जा रहा था, तो जिस थिएटर में मेरा प्ले था उस थिएटर के बाहर बैठ के वो अपना स्क्रिप्ट रिहर्स कर रहे थे. एंड देन ऑब्वियसली फिर उसके बाद रेडियो अवार्ड्स और इन सब पे तो मैं काफी बारी मिला हूँ. बट
Oh, I was going to work with him at some point where there was talk of Brijesh Harji and one more person that I wasn't talking to, they want to do a podcast together, but it never happened.
Rajesh, if you're watching, please come on our show.
Yeah, man.
Bro,
so,
yeah.
all of us have like 1 degree of separation. dude.
so much I would want to talk to him about कहो ना प्यार है,
Golmaal.
RSTDM, Golmaal, bro, crazy.
Crazy.
Brijesh Hirji is I think one of those.
Dude, I think Deepak Dobriyal also would service role. I hadn't thought of it. I'm just thinking of it now.
Hmm.
Would service the Johnny Lever role quite well in that comedic.
Could
Again,
be.
with Madhavan. that partnership.
that partnership would be great. Yes, I agree. फिर उसके लिए रवीना टंडन को हम
कंगना
कंगना बना
देंगे।
देते
पर
हैं.
क्या माँ बेटी बाप बेटी ये तो गलत हो गया.
हाँ, true. I agree.
Who's your Johnny?
My Johnny I didn't have yaar, so I just throw away at last minute. I said fucking I hate it that I put this as casting because it seemed like very lazy casting. I said like
Rajpal Yadav.
Will be lazier than.
I don't want to say Rajpal Yadav, so I'll say Sanjay Mishra, but I wrote both of those as options. And again, it's not good casting.
हाँ, संजय मिश्रा तो doesn't fit, but it's okay.
Neither of them fit.
So I have gender swapped Johnny and I've
Abbe.
cast his daughter as the Johnny part. Jamie Lever is my Johnny Lever, guys.
You know, I don't mind that actually. You're
Yeah,
fine, right?
Manoj Pawar and
I don't
Jamie
mind that
Lever,
actually. Yeah. I don't mind that.
Yeah, it's not a
I don't
bad.
mind
Bad.
I mean,
फिर आप ऐसा करो ना, मनोज पाव को भी जेंडर स्वैप करके
Farah Khan.
फरा कर दो. Bro, that would be great. Farah as the
Farah Khan?
fucking
Because Jamie Lee does Farah Khan.
भाई what a
mimicry.
bang in mimicry
Yes,
she does,
you're
bro.
right, dude.
Like
You're
imagine
right.
वो जैसे वो नहीं होते employees जो होते हैं, वो अपने employers का वो करके मजाक उड़ाते. She's like कि
ये
hey
तो
Jamie
किसकी
ये
तरह
लेकर
मैं
आ रहा
किसकी तरह मैं तो
and-
आपकी तरह
and
वो
then she
मैम.
goes like अरे मैं तो आपकी तरह वो. That would be good.
Hey,
bro,
ये कैसा
bro,
मेरी
bro,
तरह
bro,
पे तू?
bro, Farah Khan as Kader Khan and Dilip Bhai as Johnny Lever. Dilip Bhai is Farah Khan's
Actually, yeah,
Oh,
he's
Dilip, oh, yes.
assistant. Our
assistant.
assistant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually,
Wow. Live casting,
Live
recasting.
casting on
हो
the
गया.
spot.
wow, dude.
Anti-casting if you're watching.
What other YouTube show could we get into our casting here, guys?
But
Yeah,
I
okay,
think, yeah. I
चलो
think we
अर्चना
had-
पूरन सिंह की फैमिली के साथ क्या कर रहा था तुम लोग को?
But I think we all had a pretty strong trio of Govinda Kader.
So I
apart from
you know,
you.
normally I would. The thing is, yeah, normally I would never do this. But
Because then
I'm
Tejas
actually
mein
quite
na-
impressed by Snehil's because of the Vijay Shirji thing. He has thrown me
Yeah,
like
that's true.
I have gotten like. Snehil,
your
well done,
your
man. Well
choice
done.
was Sanjay Mishra.
Yeah, dude, fuck that. It's not a.
No, I'm trying
The
to
thing is,
think,
I love these actors, of course.
Who
but
is Anil
I'm not.
Kapoor going to rub off well on? With
Ranbir.
सुनाई देता है बहरा नहीं. Yes, yes. But Anil Kapoor
I
वैसे
mean, if
तो
Satish Kaushik was alive, maybe you could have cast him in the Johnny Lever role because Anil Kapoor and Satish Kaushik have a
Have a
couple
great-
of films.
yeah, that's the thing.
where
But
they are,
again,
like,
Satish Kaushik would
buddies.
not fit the age bracket. I
Yeah.
feel for that role.
True,
to be
yeah.
doing. I don't know. Yeah, I really did not have. I think like this is like a dying breed of character
Comedians,
actors.
yeah, that's
I agree.
true.
That is
I
definitely
completely
very.
agree. We
It
can-
becomes more
is
and more. I think we talk about this in almost every
Is
casting.
there any stand-up guy that you could see in this role, in the Johnny role?
Bro, stand-up guys की ना मैंने 2 पिक्चरें देखी हैं.
Bro, I think actually Akash Gupta kind of could work, just because he looks kind of.
He's short.
Cut that
That's what
out.
he's trying to say. That Akash Gupta
am
is
I-
short.
am I wrong,
Johnny
dude?
Lever was short.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, and both of them are very physical in their humor.
Zigar, don't cut that out.
Yeah, dude. Both of them are very physical in their humor.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
And hilarious, dude. Both of them are hilarious.
Brother, eat that.
Yeah.
Bro, that's a very banging impression of Sarojini Market. Huh?
Yeah.
I've to been there. It's spot on.
Should we go to the only female character that we are going to recast?
Oh, yes.
In Ravina Tandon. Okay, I
Don't-
can have a
if,
very
if
cliche.
someone says Rasha Thadani, get out right now.
No.
Only I thought of it? Okay, fine, then good.
Rasha Thadani. नहीं, I thought of Rasha Thadani, but I was like बहुत young हो जाएगी मेरे
Yeah,
दिल
yeah,
जीत को लेकर तो at least.
Yeah.
नहीं मेरा बहुत क्लीशे है.
मेरा भी क्लीशे है. ये वाला मेरा भी क्लीशे है.
ठीक है तू
अभी तो पिछला वाला मैं बोला ना, अब आप बताओ.
Okay, mine is Ananya Pandey.
Hey.
नहीं, मेरा
Bro,
इतना
rich father's
Yeah,
daughter.
इतना भी
Yeah,
cliche
Spoiled
नहीं है.
rich dad daughter.
Like,
Who do you
this was
think?
literally the first thought
Bro.
that I had in my mind.
No,
and I was
man.
like, no.
Bro, spoiled rich daughter.
Bro,
अरे bro.
like every character does not have to be that based on reality.
But it's right there, bro.
So
But why are you
that's
going that way
precisely
then?
Why you should
Because
not
I
be
think she
going for
fits
that.
also. I mean, Vicky Kaushal is, as a dhaba owner, is a complete opposite of her posh this thing. I think she'll rub off well with Manoj Pao also as the rich dad.
Dude, so the thing
I
is,
think
though,
it's fine.
The thing
And,
is-
let's be honest,
See-
Ravina doesn't have much to do in the movie.
I understand. See, I understand the
आप
angle.
बात कर रहे हो भाई. रवीना टंडन अगर गोविंदा की
She leads the plot
Bro,
forward in a
क्या
way, dude.
बात कर रहे हो आप.
Yeah. But as compared to the other guys, she doesn't have to do much of the heavy lifting.
Also,
she's
I-
good. She's funny in the movie, but she
So what I
doesn't
would say, that Abbaska, I like the thinking. I like that Ananya has been doing roles that are close to her life.
Yeah.
Exactly.
In the
yeah.
last few roles,
Yeah.
right? So this, in that regard, would be close to that.
Yeah.
But I don't think this roles requires that as a trait.
Yeah.
Of course it does.
No,
No,
it doesn't.
it's just
The
that
literal-
is circumstantial.
No,
She-
bro. Yeah. So ये वाला जो कार्ड, ये सही कह रहा है. जो कार्ड आप बोल रहे हो ना कि रिच डैड का डॉटर, ये वाला कार्ड कादर प्ले करता है. रवीना नहीं प्ले करती पूरी पिक्चर में कहीं
Arre,
पे भी.
but I'm saying it'll only add to the thing. She can just be herself in the movie.
But then she comes over as extremely naive and ditzy.
एक
That's
पता
none
है
of
क्या
Ananya's
okay,
character.
that doesn't take
That's
away
not,
from the
but
role.
that's not Ravina's
That's
character.
not
at all.
Ravina's character, bro. Ravina's character literally leads the plot. ठीक है, फिर
She's
उसके
a
बाद
smarty
उसको
man, dude.
कॉम्प्लीमेंट
She
करना
need not
पड़ेगा
be-
गोविंदा की कॉमेडी को.
She need not be naive.
But
But
that's
But
what.
उसका the way of acting
Yeah.
जो उसका है
I
अभी
think
वो
Ananya
नहीं
can
है.
pull it off. Yeah, she's a good actress. She's gotten much better in the.
That I agree.
Yeah,
I
fine,
completely
but-
agree.
I don't think she's gotten that good so she can pull this off.
क्या यार रवीना
Again,
ने
I'm just
कोई
shitting on her for no
Oscar
reason.
winning वो भी नहीं
Sure.
किया यार.
I know, I
She's
agree.
good. She matches Govinda, and I agree that she's not a dumb character.
Yeah.
That's I think what your main problem is.
अभी
that
नहीं, अभी देखो ना,
Ananya-
जैसे आपने वो देखी है तू मेरी मैं तेरा तू मेरी का ट्रेलर टीजर देखा आपने?
नहीं.
उसके अंदर भी लाइक आई थिंक अनन्या, आई होप दैट टीजर में जो दिखाया है एंटायर कैरेक्टर इज नॉट लाइक दैट, वेयर शी इज लाइक
That's Ananya and Karthik, no?
अनन्या एंड कार्तिक, यस, बट उसके अंदर भी शी इज प्लेइंग द वेरी सिमिलर,
Ditzy role.
या
Ditzy
ठीक है,
girl role.
कि मुझे जेलीफिश ने काट लिया, क्या करूं, मुझे तुम पे सुसु करना पड़ेगा, ओ शिट सुसु नहीं, यू नहीं,
that's
अच्छा
the
चलो
trailer?
कर लो, हाँ दैट्स इन द टीजर.
Oh, dude, already a flop movie. Don't watch it. If that's what they're selling in the teaser, horrible, dude.
That's a
Horrible,
Dharma
dude.
movie.
हाँ, that's a धर्मा film and it's a Friends reference, no? कि तुमने
yeah,
Friends
yeah,
देखा है,
मतलब
तो शी इज लाइक हाँ देखा है, उसमें जब मोनिका को तो जूही को पता है क्या करना पड़ा था,
ये पूरी चीज टीजर में है.
हाँ हाँ.
Fuck it. Okay. Anyway, I'm
dude,
sticking
how
with
lazy are we
Ananya
getting?
Pandey.
How lazy is the writing getting? यार हम पॉडकास्ट भी लेजीनेस पे करते हैं, पिक्चरें भी लेजी बन रही हैं. It's all a lazy infrastructure that bleeds into each other.
या लेजीनेस तो इज हमारे
चलो
पेटों
ठीक
से
है,
दिख रहा होगा.
चलो ठीक है.
ठीक है.
Then we can't complain.
It's a fairly safe, inoffensive choice. I agree, but it is what it is.
ठीक है.
okay.
What's your casting?
Again, I have two. One is okay, but one I feel very strongly would be a great choice. Okay, the one I think would be decent. Okay, is Kriti Sanon. Would be nice.
Kriti Sanon is my casting for
Okay.
this.
Oh,
Good.
nice.
Good enough. Nothing wrong with that casting. I think works for the role. Great dancer. She dances like a dream. She can pull off almost any role that I've seen her do.
Yeah, and she's very good at
She's
comedy.
good, and she's good enough at comedy.
And
good enough, yeah.
दिलजीत और
कृति
कृति सनन ने एक फिल्म भी करी है साथ में, अर्जुन पटियाला के नाम से.
दो करी है.
दूसरी कौन सी करी है?
वो एयरप्लेन वाली जो विद करीना एंड
Crew.
ओ क्रू, यस, गुड वन. तो क्या कहते हैं, अर्जुन
थैंक यू यार. थैंक यू फॉर योर अप्रिसिएशन dude. Wow, dude.
उसमें अर्जुन पटियाला इज आल्सो एन आउट एंड आउट कॉमेडी.
Okay.
एंड आई थिंक उसमें भी they had a very good chemistry.
Is it the Punjabi remake of Arjun Reddy?
नहीं, मूवी टैंक्ड, बट उसके अंदर मतलब सिली कॉमेडी जो उन्होंने एक दूसरे के साथ करी है, that was decent. तो आई थिंक कृति सनन, and she looks the role also.
Exactly. Yes.
She looks the role. She
What do you
looks
mean?
extremely like a rich
girl
from a rich family.
Ananya doesn't look poor, yeah.
But
Abbe,
the
yaar,
character, bro.
भाई,
अरे,
It's
Raveena Tandon-
richness is not just the only
Raveena
thing.
Tandon, bougie, rich, model,
एक word सीख लिया,
model,
bougie.
out of league, एकदम
बूझ
हर
किए जा
इंसान
रहा है.
के. भाई कृति सनन आई थिंक इस इंडस्ट्री के हर एक्टर के आउट ऑफ लीग है. ठीक है, ठीक है. आई फील
I agree.
शी इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल, स्टनिंग, गॉर्जियस human
Okay, guys, okay.
that is
Calm
that
down.
is-
Abbas agrees. Yes.
in the industry
Calm
right
down,
now.
okay.
And I think दिलजीत के साथ उसका कॉमेडी भी बहुत सही बैठेगा, and दिलजीत bringing that desi factor and Kriti bringing that model factor to the camaraderie. Ace. Baki, what's your perfect
my
casting?
perfect my perfect casting is an actress. Okay.
अच्छा तेरी कृति नहीं है. I thought both of
कृति
you.
मेरी है, but
Kriti,
okay.
I think again
Okay, cool.
very good casting. The casting that I feel more strongly about is someone who plays the simple girl very well, but from like an upmarket, looks extremely like rich, can play. So basically, I'm going by. Okay, I'll just say it. My casting is Shraddha Kapoor. Okay. Firstly, Rajkumar Rao, Shraddha Kapoor, already established chemistry. Stree mein, he never really gets the girl in a way. This one, he would get the girl. So people, in some way, fans would have like some kind of like a closure if that angle you want to go with.
Wow.
If you want to
Fans would have closure.
Firstly that. What you all went that? What is Rajesh Hirji
अरे
and
नहीं तो
and Madhavan, dude?
अरे तो रीजन मेटा जोक्स दो ना, फैंस का क्लोजर का ही
तो
रीजन
वो
दे रहे हो.
मेटा ही हुआ ना यार, fans को getting this thing. It's all meta. It's fan service, dude. It's fan service. Okay. Firstly that. Secondly, what I would say is if you go by how she played her character in TJMM, this is kind of in that vein, very similar, where the girl over here wants कि मेरे
That's true.
इसके
She's
साथ
very
शादी ना हो.
robotic, yes.
No man, not at all.
तू झूठी में मक्का, टीजे में ना तू झूठी में मक्का. हाँ ठीक है.
हाँ,
Okay.
तू जो होगा. So
Oh,
basically,
अच्छा, I'm thinking of that TB Moj. Sorry.
But that's Kriti, not Shraddha.
My bad.
What is TV watch?
Oh,
Teri Baaton Mein
Aisa
Aisa
Judge,
Judge.
yeah.
That's why I
that's
said
Kriti.
robotic.
That's Kriti.
Anyway.
So Shraddha, basically in TJMM is trying to get her marriage with her boyfriend Ranveer Kapoor called off, and like through indirect means and all.
Yeah.
In this way, she'll be trying to get her marriage with Govinda called off, or whatever, with Rajkumar Rao called off in indirect ways, right? Through her father and whatever. So again, perfect melding, dude. Works perfectly. I'm right.
एकदम bottom of the barrel को कूड़ा
Bro, this is great, dude.
fans खुश होंगे स्त्री के
हाँ, bro.
और उसने
और
उसमें वो
TJ
किया
में
था
भी
अब
fans
तो इसमें भी ये होगा
She's an amazing actress. She can pull off comedy. What more do you want, dude?
fair okay sure
So you're अच्छा राजकुमार and वो ठीक है.
I think
And Anil Kapoor.
as far as couples go all three of us are good like there's no great age difference
तेरा क्या था?
Vicky Kaushal and Ananya Pandey
Okay, yeah.
yeah
तेरा क्या? Diljit and Kriti.
Diljit and Kriti
Oh, yeah, fair enough.
okay moving on let's go to the next one
और कौन
which
है?
is the Asrani character
Oh,
I have a very offbeat casting for this. मुझे नहीं पता आप लोग को पसंद समझेगा कि नहीं समझेगा, but I feel very strong
कि नहीं
I
समझेगा
for
dude,
this character.
I'm sure this is my round.
This is yours.
This is
Pakka.
the thing is like it's very sad to say that this is my round. Asrani's character is my round.
Bro, for Asrani, I have Mohammad Zishan Ayub, bro.
oh what
Bro, I think Mohammad Zishan Ayub.
From Big Boss.
I didn't know
What?
yaar.
Oh, I'm thinking of someone else. I'm thinking of Zishan Bhai from Big Boss. That is
No, bro,
perpendicular
Mohammad
from
Zishan Ayub.
Gang of Wasseypur.
What?
I
Ranjana.
understood.
Ranjana.
Yeah,
Bro,
understood.
I feel.
But no, dude.
Bro,
You guys mostly
you know what I
serious roles, right?
you know what I think about Mohammad Zishan Ayub? I think in
I see
every movie,
Inspector.
dude, I'm gonna come across maybe as offensive. In every movie, he's very forgettable. He's done so many movies where he is like the best friend, the father figure, the brother figure. Always forgettable in every single one of them.
Bro, I completely disagree with
Yeah,
this.
even I think he's the only memorable part.
Yeah,
in many of
part
them.
in
What are
many
you
of the
saying?
films.
Yeah.
Bro, अगर मैं Zero की बात करता हूँ, very bad film. Mohammad Zishan Ayub.
Wait, I'm thinking
Pulled
of
it off.
I'm thinking of the correct guy, no?
Ranjana, Mohammad Zishan Ayub, very big part. Rais, Mohammad Zishan Ayub, very big part. I
But
don't.
why you? I mean, what?
See,
what do
I'll
you
tell
think?
you.
हाँ.
See, I'll tell you because I feel Mohammad Zishan Ayub का जो कॉमेडी वाला शेड है वो आई थिंक उसके ग्लिम्सेस हमने देखे हैं इन जीरो या इन फिल्म्स लाइक दिस वेयर ही इन रांझना एज वेल राइट वेयर ही इज वेरी वन लाइनर्स के साथ वो एकदम से रिएक्ट कर रहा है एंड उसका वो टाइमिंग मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है दूसरा ही इज एन impeccable actor. I think he's one of the finest actors.
Dude, that's the thing. I think he's a good enough actor, but he's forgettable somehow, dude.
No,
Like
no,
I think
dude,
he
not at
doesn't. His cat. He doesn't have like.
And I think
मेरे को लग रहा है so in this,
I think the arc sorry I think the arc that he has the Asrani's character that has in this film it's 3 scenes right three sequences
Three sequences. Yeah.
ठीक है like I can fully see Mohammad Zishan Ayub wake up and like कमिश्नर का फोन आया था ये ओवर द टॉप क्योंकि इसके अंदर आपको इमोशंस नहीं
That's what I'm
दिखाने
saying.
वो नहीं
This
करना
character is a buffoon sort of.
भाई आपने जीरो देखी है
बहुत पहले देखी थी मुझे
मतलब आई अग्री याद होनी भी नहीं चाहिए कुछ है नहीं उसके अंदर बट आई थिंक जीशान अयूब का जो वो वाला कैरेक्टर था ना उसको अगर आप यहाँ डालते हो ब्रो इट इज 110% फिट एंड इसी के साथ मैंने कमिश्नर जो उसको ऑर्डर्स देता है वो भी मैंने इस जीशान अयूब के इन लाइन में ही रखा था एंड दैट वाज पीयूष मिश्रा Bro, the Jugalbandi here, the Jugalbandi here would be crazy, absolutely crazy. मतलब, have you seen the Father's Day ad that they were cast in together?
No.
Bro, so it's मतलब I think it's the most common.
यार वो लगते भी बाप बेटे हैं।
Bro,
Wow,
yeah,
they
that is
look
the
also
most common
similar.
thing. वो बोलते एक सेम तरीके से हैं, दिखते सेम तरीके से हैं. I think the Jugalbandi here would be amazing. Both of them over the top comedians, great. I think बहुत बढ़िया पेयरिंग बनेगा दोनों का.
Maybe the thing is I don't have Asrani's boss's casting. I have not done.
Yeah, even I have not done that.
Okay, but
My go ahead.
okay, but I think my Asrani fucking casting is.
Yeah, what is it? Vikrant Massey.
Guys, Vikrant Massey. No, it's not. It's not Vikrant Massey. Actually, you guys will be surprised to know I haven't cast Vikrant Massey in this movie at all.
Oh, bro.
Sorry,
Sorry,
Vicky.
guys.
Sorry,
Bye.
Vikrant.
Yeah.
Sorry, Vikrant. Can't be helped. What I think, okay, I have done something a little different again. Okay, I'm not gender swapped or anything.
शुक्र है
I'm not
भाई.
that lazy, you know.
नहीं तो हम कुछ क्रेजी करने की सोचते हैं तो जेंडर स्वैप कर देते हैं.
Yeah, correct. What I've done is cast 2 people in one character.
Okay.
Okay, this is Raghu Rajiv as twin corrupt cop duos. Okay,
इस बार कहाँ है?
yeah, there are twin corrupt
Bro,
duos.
पता
They don't
है-
have to be conjoined twins. Please don't do that.
मुझे लगा था
That's
कि
a whole
जो
hassle thing.
वो 2-3 विलन्स नहीं है मोनीश बैल और साथ में
हाँ,
मुझे लगा था
वैसे-
उन दोनों को कोई
हाँ,
कोई ना कोई
कोई
क्योंकि एक वो
रघुराजी
एक
बनाएगा।
बॉल्ड भी है तो मुझे लगा था उसमें कोई ना कोई डालेगा.
Raghu डाल
इसको.
देगा.
Raghu Rajiv डाल
Okay,
देगा.
I'm thinking Raghu Rajiv together as corrupt cops. Okay, so like fucking scamming the dukandars, scamming all the good people of the world and whatever, and then Govinda's character or whoever Rajkumar Rao in this case has like to gives them their comeuppance or shows them that they're fucking assholes dude, in the end of the day. I think they would play that very well. Firstly, they can be scary, they can be funny, and that
But
funny
they
scary
don't
thing.
have to be scary, no, in the
No,
entire
it's
thing.
just, that's scary funny, dude. You know how in modern movies they will try to establish the villain, the comedic villain also as first you should be scared of him, but then he'll do something like bumbling idiot thing he'll do. They'll always do that. They'll always try to establish that. I think Raghu Rajiv would fit that mold perfectly. And this is also going against the grain for them. So great for them also. Raghu Rajiv. Oh, you guys have nothing negative to say. man.
I mean,
Like, जब सभी खराब होते हैं एक क्या पॉइंट आउट करें.
Bhai, I think actually this is great casting. This is out of the box singing.
okay.
It's amazing.
Okay, yeah. I also think
It's
my
very different, dude.
casting is great.
Very different. You guys just go with regular shit. What the fuck,
Yeah, I've
man?
gone with the most regular shit
Yeah, dude.
ever. I've
What the
gone
hell,
for
dude?
Sanjay Mishra.
Bro.
Yeah, comedy
Bhai.
comedy actor.
भाई
Police.
रहने दे भाई तू रहने
Yeah, funny.
रहने
So
दे
yeah.
भाई आई थिंक इस वाले कास्टिंग में पता है मैं माइल्स अहेड हूं पता है इस वाले एपिसोड में.
मैं पता है मैं
I swear
No,
dude
no.
this is
It's only-
like
क्या
हुआ?
आप
Overconfident
नहीं
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 हो
यार तुम
ओवरकॉन्फिडेंट की बात नहीं है.
ये अपना बेस्ट
Only that
बोल
one.
रहा है तू अपना
Overconfidence
बेस्ट
की
बोल
बात
रहा
नहीं है, मेरे को ऐसा
है मेरे
लग
को
रहा है-
जिताओ गाइस
आपने अब मुझे तो लग रहा है आपने तो बस सोचा कि ओ ये क्या हो अच्छा हाँ ठीक है अच्छा
I
ये
have
हाँ,
an
ये ठीक है.
amazing casting choice for the dance teacher.
What are you saying? You have a dance teacher.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, so we just let Astarani's character.
Yeah, I mean,
like,
sure.
No,
whatever.
but before the dance teacher, we have other characters. to get
Yeah,
to.
bro.
Okay, sure. Let's go. The villains.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, yes,
There are
Monish Bahl.
three villains,
So
Monish
three
Bahl.
villains, yes.
Prem
three,
Chopra
three villains.
and-
I've
Dude,
cast
Takla
them
villain.
together. As in मेरे को उनका exact वो नहीं मिला.
Dude,
क्या
Takla
कहते हैं?
villain to is Abbas moment.
हाँ, I thought of casting
course,
myself, so
of course
that
you
is
did.
first
Of
choice.
course you did.
But I think these three actors together will be funny. So
Oh.
should I?
आपने अपने एज को ध्यान में रखा है?
हाँ,
Like one is
more
the
or less.
young one जो
Yeah.
पटाना चाह
So
रहा है.
Monish
and-
Bahl obviously is
The younger one.
one,
हाँ.
I
the
think
more
like
handsome
of
one.
Arshad Wari Sanjay Dutt. Is that what I think?
No. Okay, so my Monish Bahl this thing recasting is Siddhant Chaturvedi. Okay. The Rana Jang Bahadur is Jamil Khan from Gullak. If you've seen the main guy from Gullak. And my Prem Chopra is Vijay Raz. I think these three together.
Vijay Raz,
Vijay
Jamil
Raz,
Khan.
Jamil Khan
Who is
and
Vijay
Siddhant
Raz?
Chaturvedi.
ब्रो तीनों ही ऐसा लग रहा है एक आपने नॉर्थ से उठाया एक आपने साउथ से उठाया एक आपने ईस्ट से उठाया
South
और
से
तीनों
कौन
को
उठाया?
वेस्ट में डाल दिया.
South से किसको
अरे
उठाया
मतलब
है?
मैं एक्चुअल एथनिसिटी की बात नहीं कर रहा.
फनी नहीं लग रहा है सोच के तुझे. So yeah, those three are my Jamil Khan saying नंगा नहाएगा क्या निचोड़ेगा क्या. I think
Jamil
it's
Khan
funny.
is good.
जमील
I like
खान हाँ मुझे भी
Yeah.
जमील खान फिट लग रहा है अभी
it.
तक.
The other two don't. Again, what is the
Vijay Raz and
Monish?
Siddhant Chaturvedi.
No,
Vijay Raz तो-
Siddhant Chaturvedi is not.
Not at all.
Why
Siddhant.
not?
He's very chocolate boy, dude.
But he can play a villain, bro, if required.
How do you know this?
ऑल्सो नो एक सेकंड सिद्धांत जो मोनीश बैल का कैरेक्टर है
हाँ.
वो आउट एंड आउट विलन
Villain
नहीं
है. I
है.
know.
But he
He's the
is.
competitor
He
to.
is
He's still a baddie. Yeah, he's not a baddie.
he's the villain.
He's
He's been
baddie, yeah.
Baddie, bro.
Baddie.
वो villain ही है but then for the most part of it when he's in front of Ravina he's acting like okay a very good dude for him.
Even
No, he's
better.
acting, but we as the audience know from
Know
the
that
get-go
he's a villain.
He's an ass.
So yeah. So yeah, that is my Siddhant Chaturvedi, Jamil Khan, and Vijay Raz.
Okay.
Great
Fair.
casting. Thank you for coming to my TED talk.
Okay.
Okay, so my Monish Bahl
Hmm.
Yeah.
is अविनाश तिवारी.
Who's that? Who that?
Oh.
Laila Majnu.
Oh, that guy.
Bro, I think Manish Bell के कैरेक्टर को I think
Again, dude,
perfectly fit करता है.
Quite chocolate boy.
No, actually
Monish
not.
Bell was also
हाँ,
chocolate
so firstly yes, Monish Bell was very chocolatey in his early. आपने भाई वो serial नहीं देखा जिसमें वो डॉक्टर संजीवनी.
Bro, fair, but
सुनो तो सही भाई.
he was established as a chocolate boy. He never really looked. Like a chocolate boy.
भाई अविनाश के अगर आप रोल्स देखोगे जो उसने किए हैं, he's played negative characters. खाकी के पहले सीजन में he is literally the main villain. मजनू जो उसने लैला मजनू में किया, I think he looks the part also where he's like कि चलो आप गूगल कर लो भाई.
नहीं मैं कर रहा हूँ.
मैं भी वही कर रहा हूँ.
So
this
this
guy.
think of him
Yeah.
in that role, dude.
Bro,
I
इसका literally
मडगांव
Google
Express.
पे फोटो ऐसा है villain वाला.
हाँ तो he's played the negative character also. He's played the hero character also, and I think he has that.
I don't see it at all, dude. Like it does not.
I तो fully see it, but ठीक है. Do you want me to tell the other two also या एक एक करके करना है?
इस तीनों बता दे, तू बता दे.
तो अविनाश तिवारी
अविनाश
as
तिवारी.
in Monish Bell's character.
Okay.
राणा जंग बहादुर.
हाँ.
मनोज जोशी bro.
Oh.
150 रुपया देगा.
Oh, okay, nice.
ठीक है. And
He is Pitambar,
पिताम्बर.
the older one.
The
Prem
younger
Kumar.
one.
Oh.
मुर्गी चोर.
अबे साले मुर्गी चोर. That one.
Okay, fair. And
ठीक है.
and the older one.
Both bald by the way. ठीक है.
Wait, Manoj Joshi is bald.
Yeah.
Oh, he always has like a wig, no? Then.
Yeah, but मतलब वैसे in real life is bald.
Oh yeah.
ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद प्रेम चोपड़ा.
हाँ मैं टकला हूँ. हाँ मैं टकला हूँ.
प्रेम चोपड़ा as रवि किशन.
Oh, इतना
भाई-
छोटा रोल दिया तूने रवि किशन.
भाई,
Bro,
तेरे
रवि
को-
किशन
you
does
were-
side.
You were just trying to insert Ravi Kishan कहीं भी घुस जाए.
नहीं
कुछ तो
bro,
हो जाए.
like भाई रवि किशन is fully that vibe की नंगा नहाएगा क्या निचोड़ेगा क्या बात कर रहे हो आप?
But
Bro, I think
In what way-
Ravi Kishan will overpower this role.
Bro, and तो what is the harm in this?
The harm is that he's a big star in a very small role.
Oh, that's
भाई
fine.
रवि
that's fine.
रवि
But
किशन
wait,
करता है ये
Who
रोल.
did you say as the younger brother again?
मनोज जोशी 150 रुपया देगा.
Ravi
अरे
Kishan,
जो
Manoj
प्रियदर्शन
Joshi
की
don't.
movie में हुआ
Yeah,
करता
I know.
था.
Manoj Joshi and Ravi Kishan don't work together at all. I think, dude. I don't know. It seems a little weird. All these three don't seem to fit. But I kind of see
I
Manoj
agree.
Joshi.
This is the weakest part of your.
Yeah, yeah.
But
I would
and
actually,
Diljit.
I would have thought that Manoj Joshi you would go if you were going with would have been the older brother.
नहीं भाई because I feel देखो
Ravi Kishan doesn't fit.
Bro, Ravi Kishan I think तो fully fits because he fully goes with the vibe कि he's trying to overpower Monish Bell's character but then he's failing to do that so he's going for escapes कि भाई कौन कर पा रहा है कौन नहीं कर पा रहा and then goes like कि पहले मेरा पैसा निकलवा दे. Bro, he's fully that vibe. What are you
I feel
saying?
like Ravi Kishan is a much better actor than this role.
I agree, but ऐसा थोड़ी है कि अगर एक बहुत अच्छा एक्टर है तो वो ऐसा स्पेशल अपीयरेंसेस नहीं कर सकता. सिंघम में किया उसने. सिंघम में लिटरली 3 सीक्वेंसेस का रोल है उसका.
I don't see it. I'm with Antariksh on this.
चलो कोई बात नहीं.
Yeah.
Okay, so my turn.
Also, isn't Manoj Joshi like really old now?
Yeah, so उसमें पिताम्बर इज आल्सो वेरी ओल्ड. वो मोनीश बहल का चाचे टाइप के रोल है भाई. तो सेम
Anyway,
एज का तो वैसे भी नहीं हो सकता.
Okay, so
Antariksh
mine.
make Snehal look better.
Okay then, I will try. Okay. So the thing is, the Monish Bell character has to be charming, extremely charming. Okay. Like, and charm should like exude.
Extremely
Out
तो
of
नहीं,
him.
but हाँ, I get what
Okay,
you say.
but he's charming. But you know, even by looking at him at a glance, this guy is a dick. Actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
कारण तो
नहीं,
वही तो
नहीं,
इतना सब build-up करके ना,
नहीं, नहीं.
फिर अंतरिक्ष कुछ बोलता है.
वैसे बोल देता है.
So the thing is, the only problem with this casting of mine that I will mention
Yeah.
is slight bit the age factor. Okay.
He's older or younger?
He's slightly older
Okay.
than what
Amir Khan.
he's slightly older than what my lead actress's age is.
Okay.
Okay.
Your lead actress was Shraddha Kapoor.
Shraddha Kapoor. Shraddha और कृति भी ले ले पर Shraddha Kapoor. Okay?
हाँ चलो श्रद्धा is around 40.
She's around 40.
Really?
Yeah.
So it's not that crazy. Yeah, she's around 40. Yeah, correct.
Okay.
So it's not that crazy then. Okay. My Monish Bell actor is Rajat Bedi.
Oh
Perfect.
पता है ब्रो, मैं आपको
Perfect.
अपना गूगल हिस्ट्री दिखाऊं. मैंने रजत बेदी को गूगल किया, उसका एज देखा ना, लाइक ब्रो डजंट
Correct.
और
Exactly.
मैंने फिर छोड़ दिया.
So
Exactly.
Rajat Bedi would have fit this role in the original Dulhe Raja also.
Yeah.
Correct. But he didn't get to do it then, and now he's here, dude. And the thing is, like in
So
bags,
in your thing, Rajat Bedi is competing with
राजकुमार राव.
Rajkumar Rao.
yeah, Rajkumar Rao, yeah, fair enough.
Not fair at all.
Dude,
but चलो,
absolutely.
okay,
I
ठीक
think
है.
Rajat Bedi, in fact, just on the surface looks even a little bit more charming than Rajkumar Rao does.
Bro, he is. He
Yeah,
fully
he
looks.
is.
Yeah,
हाँ,
that's what.
on the surface ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं थी.
Fair enough. But then,
Yeah.
therein lies Rajkumar Rao's characters, fucking, acting
Bro,
chops and charm
you
to
were
win.
right. He actually did make my choices feel better. Why? Now I'm more convinced that
But
Avinash
what if-
Tiwari is a very good fit.
Dude, but Rajat Bedi is an excellent choice. for
I
this.
agree.
He wouldn't be.
But it's
a
an,
perfect
it's
cast.
an excellent choice when it actually came out.
हाँ,
But why you see?
Because he'll
it's not like
bro,
it's, see,
he'll
firstly,
look older trying
dude,
to woo a
regard
younger
no. See, the thing is, again, that character almost doesn't matter the age. Because a woman
It
can fall in
does.
love with an older guy at any age. What are you talking about? dude?
अबे ये क्या दे दे प्यार दे 2 का प्लॉट समझा रहे हो आप?
Bro, ये 10 साल का फर्क in when you're 40s and 50s is nothing, dude.
That's a different
What are you talking
movie
about?
then, bro. It's not a.
This guy's only 51. If
that's
Shada's
not
40,
a comedy plot. That's a love triangle then. Like that's a.
no,
proper-
bro, an older dick trying to woo a younger woman is the.
अच्छा लड़के
It's a
को
norms
डेट
of the
makes
world.
him look like a loser, which Monish Bahl isn't in the movie.
How does that make him look like a huge loser?
Because he's an older guy.
Bro,
trying to-
भाई एक
What?
सेकंड.
An
I
older
think
guy
भाई I
trying to
think
woo a younger girl is the loser. The guy
Yeah.
no, bro.
Arre?
Dude, in society's eyes,
bro
that
अरे
guy-
मैं जाके
bro
कोई
right
taste-
now you are everything that is wrong with the society.
but no, bro. I'm not saying what's right or wrong. I'm just saying this is not the norm.
Okay, no.
Dude, in the sense, it's so
Arre,
high. You see it so
norm-
commonly happening,
Exactly.
dude.
That's what I'm saying. That it becomes brings a seriousness tone to the movie.
No, it
it's
does
not.
not.
A comedy
भाई
plot.
नहीं पता है ऑल्सो रजत बेदी जो है ना रजत उसका वो आज के टाइम में अगर आप उसको कास्ट करते हो ना वो विजिबली ओल्डर है.
हाँ,
लाइक
which-
उसका कैमरा
which
एज
was
And
was
that's
the,
fine, dude.
which is what worked in favor for his
Dude,
role in
he
Bats
play-
of Bollywood.
yeah,
But he
That
play
वो
into
ऐसा-
that, dude.
Exactly, because that was his
दिस
role.
रिमाइंड्स मी बैड्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड वाली पार्टी की तो बात ही
हाँ,
नहीं
वो
करी
बात
हमने
ही नहीं
बट
की,
चलो
मैंने
कोई
वही
बात नहीं.
सोचा था.
Dude,
Huh.
but see, it's so. I don't know why you guys are having such a difficult time fathom this. Firstly, less than 10-year age gap is not that
Bro,
crazy.
it's not even about
Firstly,
that.
that.
भाई देखो आपने जो गूगल पे एज देखा मैंने भी वही वाला एज देखा.
कौन सा पेज?
गूगल वाला एज
Google
हाँ,
पे
Google age
age-
51.
ठीक है. द
Yeah.
थिंग इज कि उसका जो कैमरा एज है ना कैमरा एज ब्रो वो ज्यादा लगेगा आपको
Dude,
श्रद्धा
I
से.
would say he.
And it would
when you
not
look at
look
Rajat
good.
Bedi, I don't think he reached 51 at
Bro,
all.
you know what? हाँ,
He
ये
reads
दे दे
much
प्यार
younger.
दे ही हो जाएगी because तेरी मूवी में
Exactly.
अनिल कपूर और रजत बेदी ज्यादा कंटेम्परेरी
एग्जैक्टली ये दे दे प्यार दे 2 बन जाएगा ये.
See,
In
regardless.
original Dulhe Raja, Monish Bahl doesn't look like he's closer
Dude,
to.
see-
Monish Bahl actually looks like कि वो गोविंदा का ही
guys,
कंपेटिटर
see,
है.
see. The age is not a factor at all.
भाई बट कैमरा
Because-
एज इज.
But regardless, dude, even if the guy was 80 years old, if the woman is falling in love with him,
Bro, then
and this
then
guy's a creep,
It fundamentally
still-
changes the plot of Dulhe
why
Raja.
does it? It's
Of
exactly
course it
still the
does.
same plot. This guy has
Because
the father
Monish
can still
Bahl-
have a problem that this guy's a
Monish Bahl
womanizer.
has to be Govinda's competitor.
Dude, if he's 10 years older and going for someone younger and the woman falls in love with him, this guy's obviously a womanizer,
Okay.
right?
The Monish Bahl character has to be Govinda's competitor. Agree?
Sure.
So then how does age not matter? Why would she
Dude,
go for an 80-year-old guy?
Dude, the age only matters. Yeah, exactly, dude. Exactly.
अरे नहीं
Because
see I
this
get
guy.
what you are saying but then in the context of Dulhe Raja it doesn't match.
But of course it does, dude. Like this. Why I'm saying that is because firstly the character of Rajat Bedi in this role is firstly the perfect fit.
So he's
the
51.
only problem
he's
is
51
the
in
age.
the movie.
He's 51 in real life.
Why
In-
is he
in the
not
movie-
married as a 51-year-old in this movie? Doesn't that give a loser vibe?
Dude, again, what are you thinking? This guy can be the cool bachelor. Hey, I'm womanizing all my way around the world, man.
That's
सोचो गोविंदा comes face to face and he's like hey इसको तो कहीं देखा है.
Yeah, bro. What's the problem? I don't understand. Why does someone at 51 who is single
चलो,
have
ठीक है,
getting a
so
loser?
I
okay,
win,
whatever.
right?
Yeah. Who are your other henchmen?
Okay.
Prem Chopra and
Okay, I think firstly the audience will agree with me. Rajat Bedi was an awesome choice.
audience.
Let me know.
Please
Okay.
do
let me
your
know.
thing in the
My Prem Chopra
Is Prem Chopra.
My Prem Chopra character, going by the extension of Bad in Bollywood casting, is Freddy from Bad in Bollywood. Gurmeet Chaudhary. Freddy from Bad in Bollywood.
The producer, the
Soda
big
wala.
producer.
Oh, अच्छा, that guy.
Yeah.
Okay.
तो him would be.
तो मतलब आप कह रहे हो कि
the older
रजत
brother.
बेदी का चाचा है ये
Freddy.
फ्रेडी.
Dude, also I don't know what they related in this movie. In the movie, in
मतलब
Dulhe Raja.
चाचा से मेरा मतलब है कि विजिबली ओल्डर. अच्छा ठीक है. Okay.
Of course, Freddy's character, like what's the name? Gurmeet Chaudhary. That's the actor's name.
Okay,
Of
continue.
course, he looks
ठीक है.
older. What are you talking about?
चलो.
And also, people can be given like fucking bald caps and
Okay.
grey hair
Okay,
all the time.
okay,
What are you
okay.
guys?
ठीक
You
है.
guys don't know what
Okay,
acting
cool.
works or what is this? Am I teaching you guys acting?
Apparently
Actor
not,
prepares.
yeah,
What the
yeah.
fuck, dude? Okay, that and then the final one.
Huh.
Okay. Firstly, for these two, for the older brother and the younger brother, villains, I have two other casting roles which I will mention after
Sure,
this one.
yeah.
But I have in the last one, I have
Murgi Chor.
Gurmeet Chaudhary as the older brother,
Yeah, Prem
Prem
Chopra,
Chopra,
huh.
and the younger brother.
Huh.
Again, not age appropriate because the younger brother looks older than the older brother, and so somehow you'll have to figure that age thing out. Okay, you'll do that. You do that. That's up to the filmmakers, man, to do. Okay,
Okay.
I cast Saurabh Shukla just because extremely funny would fit that vibe.
Chalo, ठीक है, this I'll
Okay,
give you.
also you're giving me this.
Yeah.
Nice यार, चलो ठीक है. Thank
ब्रो
you.
मतलब चलो ठीक है.
क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या दे रही
नहीं,
है?
Again, here I'll put the same argument for as Ravi Kishan. I think he's a much better actor than this role.
Dude,
यार
but
नहीं देखो मैं आपको
firstly-
जेन्युइनली बताऊं बेटर एक्टर फॉर व्हाटएवर लेंथ ऑफ अ रोल दैट इज डिफरेंट पीपल डू इट फॉर फ्री आल्सो
Yeah,
चलो
dude.
आई जस्ट वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म
Yeah,
दैट्स फाइन
See, every actor brings a certain aura to the screen, right? I think Ravi Kishan brings a certain aura. In Lapata Ladies also, वो जो police officer बना है, he doesn't have a big role, but
I
then
know.
he brings a certain
But
gravitas to the.
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि
हाँ.
तो वो तो
एक्टर्स
उसमें
ऐसे
भी
रोल
कर देगा
करते हैं
तो,
वो
हाँ.
इसमें भी आएगा भाई
कर देगा,
प्रॉपर
कर देगा.
आखिरी का आधा घंटा 40 मिनट सारा उसी की प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग
एंड ऑल्सो रवि किशन ने काफी टट्टी रोल किए हैं. उसने वो सिंघम में भी रोल किया
हाँ,
है.
वो
फिर
तो सिंघम में
हेरा
दो
फेरी
ही
में
सीन
भी.
है.
वो तो
फिर हेरा
तो
फेरी
कोई-
में भी वो तोतला बना था.
हाँ, so
correct,
वो सब वो
correct,
करते रहते हैं
correct. तो
so
that's-
that
yeah.
is fine but I don't know I for some reason I am not convinced with Rajat Bedi and at least the Rajat Bedi and
गुरमीत चौधरी.
Gurmeet Chaudhary नाम है
गुरमीत
पक्का
चौधरी, हाँ, वो मैंने तो पढ़ा हुआ ही है.
अच्छा ओके ठीक
क्या
है
करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग.
ये who was your Johnny Lever?
जॉनी लीवर.
Sanjay Mishra.
Yeah, not a good choice. Sanjay Mishra, Deepak Dobriyal, because I thought of it
Actually,
more.
I was trying to
not
think
great.
who will do a Murgi
अबे
Chor to Saurabh Shukla.
मेरे वाले में इट फिट्स हाँ बाय द वे
कौन था?
ब्रिजेश हिरजी डूइंग मुर्गी चोर टू 150 रुपया देगा
Fair enough.
कंप्लीटली फिट
So these are my first choices
हाँ.
for, and I think वैसे तो like good choices. okay, in
Perfect.
my-
हाँ हाँ. नहीं, आप
Correct,
दूसरे
okay?
बताइए हमको.
Now my second choice is for the older brother, younger
Yeah.
brother.
इसका ना मेरे को वो लग वेलकम देखिए जब उनकी बहन भाई ऐसे ऐसे है तो सोचो
बाप
उनके
कैसे-
बाप
कैसे
कैसे कैसे होंगे
हाँ,
तो
कैसे-
अब अगर
कैसे
आपका
होंगे?
फर्स्ट चॉइस है तो सेकंड चॉइस कैसा कैसा होगा
Or even better. Okay, if you want to make it like, just play into the meta-ness of it,
Yeah.
may take it like completely non-serious route because the actors playing
Oh, we
it
were serious
is so
so far,
serious.
okay.
Yeah, correct. You get it. No,
Yeah.
but like the actors playing it would
Ah.
be
Meta.
yeah, because the actors are considered like the most serious types.
Sure.
But because they are brothers in real life, it would work really well. Sunny Deol, Bobby Deol, out of the box casting.
भाई
Great.
रजत बेदी के
Great.
साथ आप सनी देओल बॉबी देओल कैसे रख सकते हो एंड और
What's
यहाँ
the
पे
problem?
रजत बेदी इज द
I don't know. Imagine Bobby in a bald cap. Sunny Deol saying, "अबे नंगा नहाएगा क्या?"
So Sunny
It's all-
Deol and
it all
Bobby,
works. It all
Rajkumar Rao is going against Sunny Deol and Bobby Deol.
Dude, therein
And
lies
we
the
have
humor.
to- we have to root for Rajkumar
Dude, the
Rao.
movie writes itself. I don't know what the problem is, dude. I don't know what you guys' the problem is. It's right there. You don't have to do anything.
Oh, bro.
Just bring these
fun
Bring these
yeah.
legends on set together. Movie gets made by itself.
एक बार सनी देओल बीच में बोल रहा है मथुरा दास दूल्हे राजा का और वो
See,
बाहर भागता हुआ
you're
आएगा।
talking about meta jokes. These are all meta jokes that you can absolutely play into if you want to, man.
ये मेरे को ना ऐसे 90s की कोई एक्शन फिल्म लग रही है. अनिल कपूर,
It's,
सनी देओल,
yeah, it's
Bobby
called Dulhe
Deol.
Raja, dude.
और इनके बीच में राजकुमार राव कहीं
दूल्हे राजा फाइट्स
दूसरा.
Yeah, bro. What the hell? I don't know what the problem is, man. I think my casting has been. I nailed it. Nailed it.
Absolutely, yes.
Knocked it out of the park.
Should we go to the last role, which is the dance teacher?
Oh, this I think मैं जो नाम लूँगा आप
Nothing,
लोग को
bro.
पता ही नहीं होगा. But ठीक है, this actually I twisted it a little like the character.
मैं
Oh, you know
बताऊं
what I got? I got Shakti Mohan, the dancer.
The dancer,
The Mukti Mohan, Shakti Mohan, the sisters, the three
अच्छा
sisters.
okay oh you
The one, the dancer sister.
so it's a woman
It's a woman. I gender swapped it.
okay you went for that
Yeah.
I've gone for Sumit Vyas as a dance teacher
Bro आपको पता है ना जो वीरू कृष्णन मास्टर जी थे वो सच में डांसर थे.
हाँ
अच्छा तो आपने वो फैक्टर लिया ही नहीं. आपने
factor लिया ही
अच्छा,
नहीं
ठीक
मैंने
है,
मतलब
ठीक
मैं funny है जो
ठीक है.
will-
So
Yeah,
I
because the
I
in all honesty, the character never dances once in the movie.
Yeah.
It's okay.
fair ठीक है
ठुमक
ठीक
सकता
है
है थोड़ा
ठीक है.
Yeah.
I have actually
लड़की दीवानी लगे
I actually have gone for
dancer?
an actual dancer
okay
and I've
Remo D'Souza.
huh no
Terence Lewis.
no this is
Geeta Maha.
like an Instagram dancer
Raghav
who,
Juyal.
no who has actually choreographed Perfect the song from तुलसी नहीं क्या
Rajat.
नहीं ये अभी कौन सी मूवी आई थी जानवी
Sunny-
कपूर
Sunny
सनी
Sanskar.
संस्कारी तुलसी कुमारी उसमें वो गाना नहीं है परफेक्ट जो गाना है उसमें जानवी कपूर वाला एंड में जो गुरु
नहीं,
रंधावा जो गाना
अच्छा,
है
गुरु रंधावा, हाँ.
हाँ ठीक है तो उसको कोरियोग्राफ किया है यश कदम करके बंदा है
अच्छा।
he's a very very good dancer check out his page
But the movie requires no dancing. Why would you even
ठीक
go
है,
there?
yeah you have to
वो
go for
रखना
the
है, it's
humor
Yeah.
not the-
हाँ,
How do you know this person can act?
I'll tell अरे
अरे what? अरे
मेरे उसका 2 सीन का रोल है जिसमें उसका
exactly जिसमें उसको
regardless-
जोक मार रहा है
हाँ
हाँ,
तो मार
regardless.
लेगा इसके अंदर
huh? This is
ए,
this
ए,
this
Raja
casting
Bedi.
this casting ruins your movie entirely.
राजा
Completely out
बेदी।
because of this
चुप
casting.
कर। तो इसके अंदर
Because this
जैसे
casting
उसके-
Vijay Shivji is
जिसके-
out.
जैसे ओरिजिनल में वो क्लासिकल डांसर है इसमें ये प्रॉपर कंटेम्पररी इंस्टाग्राम एंड बिकॉज यू आर मेकिंग इट इन 2025 कृति सनन का कैरेक्टर एक्चुअली वांट्स टू लाइक यू नो
Be a dancer.
बी लाइक अ फुल
Contemporary
ऐसा यू नो परफेक्ट ठीक है and that's why she
तो दिलजीत ने क्यों नहीं सिखा रहा है उसको दिलजीत भी तो डांस करता है ना
फिर से कर पपेट का फिर से कर दोनों हाथ से कर रहा है भाई क्या कर रहा है
ठीक है सो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है तो क्लासिकल से हम उसको इंस्टाग्राम रील्स पे ले आते हैं एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके
मैंने भी सोचा था should I discuss like some Instagram influencer in this role but then I was like fuck it Sumit
anyway
Vyas.
the casting directors these days are asking for followers
yeah that's
so
true
yeah
that's why he went for Sunny and Bobby
again dude I don't do this generic
hey
thinking
guys
like
they
you
are
guys
going
do
through a hard time right
Fucking
now I
what
don't
the
think we
fuck,
should
dude?
make fun of Sunny and Bobby
Exactly.
Bhai,
the
we are not
perfect
making fun of Sunny and Bobby, we are making fun of him.
perfect casting I know what you're talking about it's great casting damn it I stand by it.
so yeah that was our recasting of Dule Raja in 2025
Hey, if I had to put Vikrant Massey somewhere, he could be the dance teacher. Alright.
just because
Just because.
just because casted by Antariksh Thakkar.
हाँ.
Yes,
इसलिए
Vikrant
Vikrant
Massey.
Massey is there.
It's like a tagline.
तू ना नहीं तेरे को ऐसा कैमियो डालना चाहिए जैसे वो जब
I like
जब
it.
गोविंदा भाग जाता है
Ooh,
ना, सब
such a heart throb. Such a heart throb.
अच्छा चलो आप
जो
बताओ, फिर मैं
वो
बताता
जब
हूँ।
कादर खान टैक्सी में बैठ के बोलता है उसका पीछे ओ विक्रांत
ब्रो मेरे बैठ में विक्रांत मैसी आया उसपे जो वो वाला सीन नहीं है जब वो फ्लैशबैक में जब वो मोनीश बैल गाड़ी पे खड़ा होता है 2 लड़कियों के साथ ऐसे करके एंड इज लाइक और देख तू इसको ऐसा फाइट मारेगा ना इसको कुछ भी नहीं होगा और मोनीश बैल को मुक्का मारता है तो एंड में जो वो दारू पीता हुआ नहीं आता
केस्टो मुखर्जी का
केशव
डुप्लीकेट
मुखर्जी का डुप्लीकेट तो दैट कुड
Why,
बी
dude?
लाइक ये तेरे को चूना लगा गया ना दैट कुड बी विक्रांत
Why, dude? Vikrant is such a good actor.
ब्रो इज अ गुड एक्टर बट देन वो उसका पीछा करके तो बेटर है ना ये रोल
वैसे तो better है. Thanks यार श्रेयल यार. You saved it, dude. You saved Vikrant.
बट एक्चुअली आई थॉट कि आपको अगर दूल्हे राजा बनाना है तो दिस इज एक्चुअली वेयर विक्रांत कैन बी अ ढाबा वाला ओनर
रियली आई थिंक ही लुक्स पॉश ब्रो
Wait, Vikrant could be
Actually,
the
no.
Govinda character.
या व्हाई नॉट
मतलब वैसे तो yeah, why not?
नहीं है यार विक्रांत मासी
हाँ हो सकता है कभी देखा नहीं उसको ऐसा आउट इन कॉमेडी किया है क्या
आई
विक्रांत
डोंट
ने
थिंक
I
सो
don't think so.
करेक्ट अस इफ वी आर रॉन्ग
But could be sometime soon.
let's recap my casting Vicky Kaushal in the Govinda role
आप पिंकी कौशल
Pinky Kaushal.
Yes,
Oh,
Pinky Kaushal.
Pinky Kaushal.
Yes, Pinky
Yes,
Kaushal
you heard correct.
in the Govinda role, Manoj Pawa in the Kader Khan role, Jamie Lever in the Johnny Lever role, Ananya Pandey in the Ravina Tandon role, Sanjay Mishra in Asrani, not in Asrani, in Asrani's role, and Jamil Khan, Vijay Raj and Siddhant Chaturvedi as the villains, and Sumit Vyas as the dance teacher.
Okay, so my casting is Diljit Dosanjh in Govinda's character, Kriti Sanon in Ravina's character, R. Madhavan as Kader Khan's character, Brijesh Hirji as Johnny Lever's character, Avinash Tiwari as Monish Bahl's character, Manoj Joshi as Rana Jang Bahadur's character, Ravi Kishan as Prem Chopra's character, Mohammad Ishan Ayub as Asrani's character, Piyush Mishra as the commissioner, and Yash Kadam as the dance teacher.
And
Saving the best for the last.
And my amazing casting, the best casting imaginable is as follows: Dule Raja starring Govinda's role में राजकुमार राव, कादर खान के रोल में बमन ईरानी और अनिल कपूर, but बमन ईरानी probably better, रवीना टंडन के रोल में श्रद्धा कपूर, जॉनी लीवर not great, दीपक डोबरियाल, असरानी के रोल में रघु राजीव, बेस्ट कास्टिंग एवर, ट्विन करप्ट कॉप्स, अनहर्ड ऑफ, ओ माय गॉड, माइंड ब्लोन, मोनिश बहल्स कैरेक्टर played by Rajat Bedi, yes, thank you, Prem Chopra's character, the bigger brother, the older brother, Gurmeet Chaudhary, Freddy from Bad Bollywood, or Sunny Deol, if we take Bobby Deol being the Rana Jang Bahadur's character, that is the Pitambar, not the younger brother, that is Bobby Deol, or if Gurmeet Chaudhary is Prem Chopra's character, then Saurabh
think
Shukla.
Gurmeet
Gurmeet
Chaudhary
Chaudhary is a
is
martial art-
yeah,
martial
bro,
artist.
Gurmeet Chaudhary is the guy
This
who
is-
played Shri Ram in the new Ramayana. Just by the way, what? मैंने तब भी आपको बोला था कि गुरमीत चौधरी नहीं
Did I
है
say-
ये.
did I get the name wrong every time?
Yes.
Oh shit, I'm so sorry, dude. I checked the person's name.
That guy does not look like a Gurmeet at all.
No, I think he is a Gurmeet, but he's not.
Manish Chaudhary. I'm so
No,
sorry.
he's not a Gurmeet.
Damn.
Gurmeet Chaudhary the entire
Oh,
time.
dude. Why did I read Gurmeet? That's so weird. Manish Chaudhary. Manish ji, I'm very sorry. Come on the podcast. We can talk about it.
He was actually the first one to enter the party, the Bads of Bollywood party that I went to.
Oh, you 5 मिनट में बता देना क्या.
मेरा बचन. Sorry. I mean, Manish Chaudhary. I mean, MC मेरा बचा. Okay. Manish Chaudhary as the older brother. Saurabh Shukla is the younger brother. And Ravina's dance teacher is Shakti Mohan.
बस खत्म.
That's the end. I think that's the end. I hope I didn't miss anyone. And still, you went for Bads of Bollywood? Success party. What was that, dude?
Bro, crazy shit. हाँ, very crazy.
Vlog किया.
नहीं किया. भाई, I'll tell you, मैं vlog करना चाह रहा था, but starting में, like, the beginning of the party got delayed so much. तो फिर वो vibe चला गया सारा.
कहाँ पे था ये?
This was in Marriott.
Entry कैसे मिली?
So वही, so
We bought tickets.
ticketed था. So Marriott में थी party and it was like जो district app पे लिखा हुआ
Oh,
था.
did you go swimming?
Bro, fuck off, shut up. ठीक है.
Wow, dude.
Anyway, so it was supposed to start like the counter. The tickets were the ticketing counter was supposed to open at 9 p.m. Tickets हमें मिलनी थी 9:30 बजे and 10 बजे हमारी entry होनी थी. Bro, I think we got tickets at around 11, like 10:30, 10:45, and we eventually entered at around 11:40. तो तब तक ना वो सारा वो खत्म हो गया व्लॉग करने का बिकॉज वी जस्ट लाइक स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड. बट एनीवे ये थोड़ा एक हिकअप सिचुएशन था. बट देन वंस वी एंटर्ड, ब्रो व्हाट अ वाइब, ब्रो व्हाट अ फकिंग वाइब, ब्रो. A lot of people.
No, but like, what is going on? Is it just a regular party?
So
with
it's a celebrity event.
Okay,
That's it. So उन लोगों ने क्या किया हुआ था, टीयर्स बना रखे थे कि एक था सेलिब्रिटी लाउंज जो पीछे था एकदम. So it's not like कि you go and you were like, oh मुझे वो दिखा, मुझे. A lot of people were doing that, but it was actually just to like fucking chill. That's it. It was a regular clubbing night. बस you have like celebrity DJs. Like अगर हमारा कल्चर यहाँ पे थोड़ा ऐसा होता ना कि where we are like okay, जैसे हॉलीवुड में लाइक पीपल आर लाइक ओके
it's not a big deal.
इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील अगर हमारा कल्चर ऐसा होता ना यहाँ पे ब्रो दिस वुड हैव बीन लाइक अ बैंगर इवेंट आई एम टेलिंग यू देयर वर सो मेनी पीपल देयर प्रीति जिंटा आई थी इमरान हाशमी था दिशा पाटनी थी आर्यन खान था सुहाना थी और क्या कहते हैं रजत बेदी आया हुआ था
डीजे भी किया ना
उसने हम और ही ने भी किया डीजे डीजे सार्थिक वाज द वन हु प्लेड द एंटायर
डीजे करना इतना आसान होता है डीजे होना
मतलब
प्ले म्यूजिक
हाँ ठीक है तो ये फिर उसके बाद आर्यन तो एक्चुअली केम इन द क्राउड आल्सो सो उनका जो लाउंज था वो पीछे था Aryan
came into the crowd.
Yeah, he came into the crowd. My sister got a picture with him.
Oh, nice.
And he's actually like video hai, and he's actually like fully posing and this and that. And I was like, wow, dude. Anyway, so Imran Hashmi came, Raghav Juyal, Lakshay.
Okay, you saw all of them.
Bro, all of like they were like so entry
So like
same.
how big was the scene? Like
So
could you see into the celebrity lounge or
आपके
what?
घर से छोटा था.
Nice. But can you look into the celebrity lounge kind of?
No, so actually that's what ना अगर people लोग उतने पागल ना होते कि एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़ के देखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं तो it would have been a very chill scene, chill party. But then again, because celebrity culture is so strong, and of course all of us also bought tickets because of this
Yeah, of
culture,
course. Dude.
right?
How much you pay for? How much you pay?
35.
Oh yeah.
So
35 lakhs.
35 भाई tables actually were going for 2 lakhs 3 lakhs.
Yeah, that's not surprising.
ठीक है तो जो थोड़े elevated थे but again a lot of people came हम सबका जो ड्रिंक्स एरिया था
अगर आपको जानना था आपके मेंबरशिप के पैसे कहाँ जा रहे हैं भाई और बहनों just kidding
तो जो एंट्री एरिया था वो सारा सबके लिए सेम था
Okay.
तो लाइक दे वर एक्चुअली वॉकिंग इन द सेम हॉलवे एज ऑल ऑफ अस
were there paps outside
या पूरा वो बोर्ड लगा हुआ था सो सबका सेम
बोर्ड क्या? Paps
पूरा
board.
वो पैप्स का जो एरिया
Oh,
बना
God,
होता है ना
God,
जहाँ
वो
पे जाके
photograph वाला,
फोटोज होती हैं वगैरह
तो
वगैरह
वहाँ पे वो बैट्स का बॉलीवुड का दिखाते हैं.
हाँ, हाँ,
Okay,
हाँ.
तो जो ऑफिशियल बैट्स बॉलीवुड पार्टी और
सो डैवोल हर साल एक
हाँ,
आफ्टर
तो
डार्क
बता
पार्टी
रहा,
करता
correct, बता
है
रहा,
तो दिस वाज बिकॉज आफ्टर बैड्स आई है तो दैट बट या डूड लाइक इट वाज वेरी फन लाइक स्टार्टिंग में ना पहले आधा एक घंटा
नाचा वाचा क्या क्या?
हाँ ब्रो पूरा क्लबिंग
Your mom
सीन्स
had
था
fun?
पूरा क्लबिंग
What kind of music? Bollywood?
बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक रेट्रो
गफूर कितनी बार बजाया
स्टार्टिंग में बहुत बार बजा बट व्हेन डीजे सार्थिक एक्चुअली
Yeah.
टुक ओवर बैंग इन सेट्स ब्रो बहुत अच्छा था स्टार्टिंग में हम लोग सारे ऐसे थे कि ये दिख जाए वो दिख जाए ये दिख जाए वो दिख जाए बट लाइक 45 मिनट्स 1 hour इनटू द पार्टी एवरीबॉडी वाज जस्ट लाइक फकिंग वो लाइट्स ऑफ कर दिए हैं पूरा वो डिस्को माहौल बना दिया है पूरा
एनसीबी वाले आए थे
Like are you into the clubbing scene in general?
आई एम नॉट एक्चुअली मैं मतलब हो गया मेरा
So like you wouldn't have gone for this unless it was this.
100% won't have
Fair.
gone for this
Fair.
अगर अनलेस क्या अगर मम्मा और बहन नहीं होते साथ में तो मैं तब भी नहीं जाता
Oh, they really wanted to go there.
हाँ सो अगेन एज आई सेड कि उतना सेलिब्रिटी कल्चर क्योंकि वो मुंबई में रहते नहीं है बाहर से हैं एंड आई एनीवे कम फ्रॉम वेरी स्टार फैमिली तो वो सीन है हम लोग तो भाई बातें भी एनीवे तो ये सीन था बट इट वाज वेरी वेरी फन वंस लाइक द एंट्रेंस वाला सिचुएशन गॉट सॉर्टेड बहुत सही था एंड इट वाज जस्ट सो फनी एंड लाइक सीइंग ऑल दीज सेलिब्रिटीज लाइक जस्ट वॉकिंग ऐसा रैंडम लाइक वो भी ड्रिंक्स ले रहे हैं ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा दे ऑब्वियसली हैड लाइक अ डिफरेंट काउंटर डिफरेंट वगैरह वगैरह बट द एंट्री हॉल ऑल ऑफ दिस वाज सेम
Oh yeah.
वेरी अगेन एज आई वुड लाइक टू से इट अगेन अगर थोड़ा सा भी चिल माहौल होता ना हमारे देश में सेलिब्रिटी कल्चर को लेके भाई बहुत ही चिल
So
बहुत मजा
how long were you in the club then? Like till 3, 4 in
Till
the morning?
3.
Okay, fair. That's a good one.
till 3
So like 4 hours, man.
yeah 11:30 11:40 to 3 till 3
That's crazy, dude.
बहुत सही था बाहर उन्होंने सारे
Man,
अपना बैड्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड के प्रॉप्स वगैरह लगा रखे थे वो राघव जुयाल की गाड़ी थी बॉबी देओल जो
कौन सी
पिंक
गाड़ी
फरारी
उसके पास? कौन सी
चलाता
गाड़ी
है
उसके पास?
टोयोटा जो गाड़ी थी जिस वो बैड्स में जो चलाता है
Oh, वही गाड़ी थी?
हाँ वही गाड़ी वो
Oh,
गाड़ी लगा रखी थी
nice.
अंदर पिंक फरारी थी जो बॉबी चलाता है एंड में
correct.
ठीक है फिर डियावोल मॉडल्स ने डियावोल के कपड़े पहनते जो मतलब जो वो थे क्या कहते हैं मैनिक्विंस मॉडल्स नहीं मैनिक्विंस को डियावोल के कपड़ों से वो किया हुआ था दोनों साइड बार बार
He was so drunk, he started hitting on the mannequin. क्या मॉडल लग रहे हैं?
ठीक
Was Mona Singh there?
I didn't see but a lot of people were there dude like I was not expecting so many people to be there
Okay.
but like जो लोग शो में नहीं भी थे वो भी थे
Correct. Yeah.
I was
हाँ, they have to call other people. It
yeah,
can't just be.
बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा
शाहरुख?
scene था. शाहरुख नहीं था यार. अब पता है while I was going there I was thinking कि शाहरुख मुंबई में था भी वो तब भी नहीं आया because this was Aryan Khan's spotlight. शाहरुख आता तो वो सारा
So
spotlight शाहरुख का था.
did he like speak on the mic like, hey, thank you for enjoying the show? कुछ ऐसे बोला कुछ भी हुआ? Nobody addressed anything.
वो कह रहा हूँ ना, सब पार्टी करने आए थे, सब चिल कर रहे थे वहाँ पे. बीच में just for like a fan
So
service
the
वो
female
बीच में
leads,
आया.
Anya Singh and all, they were also there.
I'm sure हाँ वो they were there. उतना मतलब क्योंकि इतना अंधेरा था और वो था, मैं उतना अच्छे से recognize नहीं कर पाया. But a lot of people were there. I think सबसे पहले लक्ष्य only went. And उसके बाद bro, so मैं
And every time someone came, did people like cheer or something? Or nothing happened or what?
all मैं कह तो रहा हूँ, हम सब डांस कर रहे थे,
फिर
सब
क्या
chill
party
कर
है?
रहे थे.
It wasn't like a showcase of
हाँ
the
कि ओ
celebrities.
showcase celebrities की ये आए हैं. They were all just chilling and partying.
I get it.
तो बहुत सही था. वो एक फनी सीन हुआ. मैं अंदर थोड़े मतलब डांस गाना तेज तो मैं थोड़ा बाहर आ गया 2 मिनट के लिए, ठीक है. एंड उसी टाइम राघव वाज गोइंग होम, ठीक है. तो वो भाग के बाहर आया एंड अपनी कार को, टोयोटा को ऐसा किस किया, तो पीछे से पैप्स चिल्लाए, अरे पूरा बॉलीवुड एक तरफ और अक्खा बॉलीवुड एक तरफ और एंड देन दे स्टॉप्ड एट और एंड राघव सेड और राघव जुयाल एक तरफ और बोल के so just to see like them as natural in their natural habitats and all that was fun. My mom very cutely says कि अरे यार ये सेलिब्रिटी लोग सामने से तो ऐसा नॉर्मल हमारे जैसे ही दिखते हैं. And I'm like, हाँ मम्मी.
Celebrities are just like us. They also put their pants on one leg at a time. Yeah.
No, they might have somebody put the pants for them.
Yeah, only the rich ones.
Unlike us. Yeah, they're all rich only.
हाँ सब रिची सी.
From that cast, I'm pretty sure.
चलो guys, 2 घंटे हमने बात कर ली है.
भाई 2 घंटे बात कर ली भाई.
अब wrap up करना
अब इसको
चाहिए.
कट डाउन करते करते maybe you'll see only a 58-minute episode.
Yeah, maybe you won't hear the controversial bits.
Maybe you'll hear 20 minutes of it. Who knows?
ठीक है. तो कौन जीता कौन हारा?
मैं जीता,
मामा जी का घोड़ा
बाकी ये
पादा.
दोनों हारे.
What?
क्या बोला मैंने?
ऐसे ही कुछ था ना, मामा जी का आधा पादा कौन पादा, मामा जी का घोड़ा पादा. Sorry, my bad.
कौन हारा?
आधा पादा कौन पादा, किसमें ताकत सबसे ज्यादा? राघव दादा.
ये सब दिल्ली में होता होगा यहाँ.
Guys.
अबे ये चैन कुली की मैन कुली का डायलॉग है.
Anyway, but
Guys, but do you remember अक्कड़ वक्कड़ बम्बे वो हसीना में?
tell us whose casting you found best and why it was me. And please subscribe to this channel.
Please.
Take the memberships.
Hype the video.
And just one more thing I'll plug before we wrap up. Go check out the comment section YouTube channel. वहाँ पे सिद्धार्थ शेट्टी, आकाश मेहता और सुरेश मेनन के साथ मेरे इंटरव्यूज आ गए होंगे. और मेरे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लो, अब्बास मूवीन. उसमें मैं बहुत जल्द वीडियोस डालने वाला हूँ. और
Dude.
आप लोग क्या प्लग करना चाहेंगे?
If by chance you watch the episode till here, please type अक्खा बॉलीवुड एक तरफ, फिल्मी कुराड़ा एक तरफ. Okay, write that in the comments. If you watch it. Okay.
चलो इससे हमें पता लगेगा कौन किसने
enter
यहाँ
देख
तक
रहा
देखा.
है. Okay, firstly that. Lastly, please check out the other stuff that I do. Spender Bender, That Filmy Game Show. That Filmy Game Show. I just released an episode with Abish Matthew and Tarang Malikar. I think one of my finest episodes ever. Hilarious. Spender Bender pe we are doing some kick-ass live shows, so please watch them. Yeah, and Pop Conversation.
Yeah.
We want to do a lot more with this channel, so we are open to ideas also. If you have any, please let us know in the comments. All right.
That's pretty much it, yaar. Please subscribe, become a member, and peace out.
Peace out. See ya.